Si Underdongo ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Good afternoon mga ka-SLA! A warm and radiant welcome to Zilag Ligachos Junior Showcase Philippines Finals! Welcome to the new age where basic is a must, where pressure is inevitable and character is the only ticket to the next level. It's all begins here. The time is now. This is your Zinag Liga Asha Junior Showcase Philippines. We ask everyone to take into our LED screen to know more about the SLA 19U.
Sa labanan ng may puso at kaalaman, tagisan ng bilis, lakas at estratehiya, sa pulutong ng mga maiinit na kupunan. Dalawa ang natirang matitibay sa larangan. Ngunit isa lang ang hihiranging kampyon ng dibisyon. Sino ang uukit ng bagong kabanata?
As I say sa panel, as the sun rises in the east to start and adorn the day, yun ang nangyari dito sa Hustle Rising Suns eh. They rose up. Last season, naglagay sila ng mga unknown players and yet they overachieved, umabot ng quarterfinals. This season, nag-retool itong Hustle, starting with the season 98 Juniors MVP, the former #1 high school basketball player sa Pilipinas, Manuel Luis Pablo. Grabe yung effect ni Pablo, almost assured victory na for Hustle every time na magsusuit up siya doon. Truly player for player, itong Hustle is unmatched. They rose up from what happened nung season 1 natin. Itong Hustle Rising Suns led by Coach JR De La Cruz. Kumbaga, without a championship, I believe Coach JR would say na mission accomplished for him. All it needs to cap it all off is that Zinag Liga Asha Junior World Showcase Philippines 19 Under Championship.
Hustle Rising Suns, isang kupunang walang bakas ng pagsuko at handang ipakita ang kakayanan sa buong kapuluan.
It was the defense that started it all dito for Hustle Rising Suns. Talagang living up to their name, the hustle. They also provide some muscle and it's been a total team effort right here. Defense is the key for Coach JR.
Well, this team is backed up by history talaga. The legacy of Kapampangans from the pro leagues, sa mga kuya nila sa 23 under, all of them have been champions. Etong team na to, this group, has been waiting for almost a year to redeem themselves and they have a chance to do it. A chance to join the history books dito sa napakalalim na history ng pagcha-champion dito sa Pampanga. And this group is best equipped to join that elite group of champions dito sa Pampanga.
Pampanga Delta Pradera, subok na nga ba ng panahon? Kupunang puso at bayan ang nakasuporta. Sa labanan ng dalawang pinagpipitaganan, sino ang babago ng kapalaran? Hustle
And now, it's time to meet the protagonists that will battle for the finals. First, for your Hustle Rising Suns! Starting off with jersey #1, Dwayne Miranda. At number 5 from Cavite, Luis Pablo. From Los Baños, Laguna, number 6, Basti Warriors. From Quezon City, number 7, Renzo Competente. From Surigao del Norte, number 14, Vile Rosilio. From Nueva Ecija, number 17, James Izard. From Lanao del Norte, number 0, Noor Datumali. From Binyan, Laguna, number 20, Vincent Miaco. From Cebu City, number 24, Pads Padilla. From Quezon City, number 29, Rob Monterroso. Number 31, Steven Kabigting. From Cebu City, number 42, Ting Mananilili. Number 53, Lawrence Cabonillas. From Caloocan City, number 77, Alex Gazinga. And number 88 from Las Piñas City, Alan Vergara. Our head coach for Hustle Rising Suns is John Ross de la Cruz. Assistant coaches, Dan Bautista, Philip Gray, Peter Aguilar. Team manager, Team Florendo, and team owner, Ms. Marjorie Christine de la Cruz. Ladies and gentlemen, your Hustle Rising Suns. And now, let's meet your Pampanga Delta Pradero. Starting off with number 4 from Santa Rita, Daniel Pineda. From Lubao, number 8, Franz de la Cruz. From Bacolor, number 10, Jog Moral. From Florida Blanca, number 15, PJ Prayer. From Bacolor, number 16, Jose Pangilinan. From the city of San Fernando, number 18, Elijah Yuze. From San Simon, number 19, Andre Lugo. From the city of San Fernando, number 21, James Malonzo. From Antipolo City, number 23, Amiel Zino. From the city of San Fernando, number 24, Justin Garcia. From Caloocan City, number 25, Vince Reyes. Number 29, from Lupao, Alan Donan. From Avalit, number 23, Christian Vergara. From Masantol, number 42, Jolo Navarro. And from San Pedro Laguna, number 44, Charles Dural. Pampanga Delta Pradera is led by Coach Jay Jetta. Assistant coaches Pepe Tuyag, Bar Hansen, Totoy Marquez. Team consultant Mr. Paddy Dimatulak. Team owner Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Ladies and gentlemen, your Pampanga Delta Pradera. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. May we request everyone to please pause for a while and please stand for the opening prayer. Let us all remember the most holy presence of God. Our most holy Father, we praise your most holy name. We ask for the forgiveness of our many sins. We thank you for giving us this fine day, for a chance to play and showcase our talent and skills. Bless everyone present here today, the management, officials, teams, coaches, and players. Bless our families that we left in our home and help us bring pride and honors to them. Please give us the strength and courage to withstand in any all negativity and obstacles that we stand or come before us. As we pray, protect all the players from any injuries. We understand our task and rely on your instructions, and all that we do with honor, victory or defeat. Provide each and every one of us your knowledge to do our best. We ask all this in the name of your Son, our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhatit pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
And now, players and coaches, gentlemen, let's have the traditional handshake.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
is up mga kasinag? Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asia at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Subic to meet and get a chance to talk to some very important people para sa future ng Sinag Liga Asia and also to get to witness the graduation ng senior high school department ng Lyceum Subic Port. As we all know, ang Lyceum Subic Port po ay parte ng Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase and also they're a big part sa ating future. Kaya tara na po and let's see what's in store for Sinag Liga Asia.
We're excited, and I would like to invite all, especially the towns. We have 12 towns in Zambales, and there's a lot more. And we are very proud to tell you that we are joining a very good league, and we have a very good platform. So antayin nyo kami, and we will join.
Yan na po mga kasinag, you heard it first from Attorney Alfonso Burda ng Lyceum Subic Port na ang Lyceum Sharks Subic Port ay handang-handa na po para sa SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga. Pero hindi lang po yun ang kanya sinabi kanina. Meron nga po silang nilulutong something special for all the colleges, universities, and high schools para dito sa Norte. And syempre, very soon po mga kasinag, meron din po tayong diyang niluluto sa South Region naman po ng Luzon. Kaya po mga kasinag, tutok lang po. Especially napakalapit na po ng ating SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga po yan. Once again, ako po, si Enzo Galarosa ng Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
If you have one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or let it slip? And this is your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004, the finals, as we are live here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for this winner take all finals. As we can see, the archer himself, Andre Doy Dungo, the number 3 ranked high school basketball player in 2024, representing the Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, going up against his fellow Lasallian teammate, the former number 1 high school basketball player in 2023, Manuel Luis Pablo, and the Hustle Rising Suns. And that is our game at hand between the Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park and the Hustle Rising Suns. Isang magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga kasinag from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at sa iba't ibang bansa na bumubuo ng Asia and all those present here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center. This is the moment you all have been waiting for. The finals, the winner-take-all championship game between these two teams. Kami po ang inyong mga kasama ngayong gabi. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and together with me, the head coach of the J Project Clothing Boomers, the Basketball PH, and of course, sa mga pinakagwapong panelists natin dito, Coach Ernest Alo. Coach Ernest, magandang hapon sa'yo.
Magandang hapon, brother, and thank you Sinag Liga Asia for having me. And welcome. Rest assured, mabibigay namin sa inyo tong game na to with the best of our abilities. Very exciting game to, Enzo.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Ernest. And I'm pretty sure excited ang ating Golden Stag on the sidelines, ang ating mga kasama na si MJ Raimundo. Kamustahin naman natin siya. MJ, kamusta ka na and how excited are you for this winner-take-all finals?
Good afternoon, Enzo and Coach Ernest, at sa ating mga kasinag and most especially sa ating mga kabalen na nakasubaybay at nakatutok dito sa atin sa Brenzigaw. And to answer your question, hindi ka ba ang nararamdaman ko but excitement and intensity na mangyayari dito sa Brenzigaw between a do or die game between Pampanga, Pradera, and Hazel Rising Suns. Kaya naman tumutok lang kayo because later on, I will give an update and stories on the sideline. But now, balik muna sa inyo, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. We will hear more from MJ through her stories as the games go on. But dahil nga mga kasinag, it's a winner-take-all finals na. Pwede nyo pong tutukan sa aming social media platforms at Sinag Liga Asia on both Facebook and Instagram. Follow us on TikTok and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Dahil nga napakagandang laro ang mapapanood nyo ngayong araw. No Game 7s, no series, one game to take home the coveted Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines 19 Under Championship. Napakaganda po na matututukan nating laro dito. Kaya Coach Ernest, saktong-sakto etong game story natin for this final showdown nga. The final showdown, di ba Coach Ernest?
Oo, we love the format no, na niready ng Sinag Liga Asia for this 19 under teams. So again, tulad ng sinabi mo, do or die.
Yes.
Okay, isang beses na game. Dapat prepared sila, dapat ready silang i-let go yung ego nila. Alam mo yon, have the winning attitude para, again, makuha nila tong championship na to.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Ernest. And speaking of, this one game lang to, winner take all. But let's look back dito nga sa kanilang mga road to the finals. How did both of these teams get here to this point? First, let's go over dito sa Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park. Peaking at the right time. This is what happened to them, Coach Ernest.
Oo, no, you have to love the effort talaga ng ginawa na itong Pampanga Delta. Pareho silang may 3-2 record pero sa semifinals, 3-0. Perfect record na nakuha nila, Enzo.
Yes, and yun nga, perfect record, still undefeated sila from the semifinals and beyond. Can they remain that undefeated record dito nga sa final round and win that coveted championship and add it to the numerous championships ng probinsya ng Pampanga, but standing in their way, a team well-equipped to rip that title away from the hands of the Kapampangans dito, and that is the Hustle Rising Suns. Let's take a look at their road naman dito sa finals, and they're tired of being second.
Oo, no? Talagang kahit ano man mangyari, laging second sila eh. Nakita natin, tulad ng sinabi natin kanina, same lang sila, 3-2 record sa eliminations. Sa semifinals, sa Delta lang sila natalo with a 2-1 record.
Yes, and yun nga is this the time na for the Hustle Rising Suns na hindi na sila maging second place? Ito na ba yung time na finally they're going to be recognized as the clear-cut number 1 dito sa Sinag Liga Asia? That's how crucial this game is. As right now, ito nga, tingnan natin, Coach Ernest, yung kanilang elimination round battle wherein naglaro sila sa Bacolor Convention Center. Doon nangyari yun, and the assist-to-turnover ratio was the key for the Hustle Rising Suns.
Oo, no? Talagang Hustle displayed their mantra by forcing 16 turnovers against Delta na may 10 lang. And dishing out 25 assists habang yung Delta 17 lang. As in talagang everyone was really doing a great job sa side ng Hustle, kaya they got the game.
Can they repeat that performance ngayong araw to win that championship? But bago po natin pag-usapan po ulit yan, bibigay muna natin dito kay MJ Raimundo for her interview dito sa panig ng Hustle Rising Suns. MJ, take it away.
No, I am with the assistant coach of Hustle Rising Suns, assistant coach Paulo Serrano. Good afternoon, coach. Now, a lot has happened on your road to the championship, and now that you are here and in the home court of your opponent, how do you plan to win it all tonight?
Oh, so first of all, execute our game plan and then play hard defense. And yun nga, sinasabi namin palagi, kung malas ka sa offense, wala namang malas sa defense. So, yun yung key namin para manalo for this finals.
Now, any message you want to give to your team and most especially to your opponent?
Yun lang, let's enjoy this game and let's give the fans what they want. Okay.
Good luck to your team. Now, back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ, and thank you so much once again to Coach Paulo Serrano, the assistant coach of the Hustle Rising Suns. And
we do hope they give us a great game, di ba ngayon, Coach Ernest? But let's go over naman dito sa kanilang mga kalaban. Itong Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, which you said nga, the only loss of the Hustle Rising Suns in the semifinals round came by this same Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park team, and they flexed their might dun in a 101-75 victory.
Oo, no, it was a total onslaught talaga for the side of Pampanga Delta kasi during their semifinals matchup, they had 51 rebounds against Hustle's 33 lang. And they had 22 second chance points, Enzo, habang itong Hustle 2 lang sa buong game. Kaya they got the game, they won by a huge margin talaga, talagang kain talaga.
Totoo, and pinakita nga ng mga kabalin ang tunay na kulay nila sa semifinals round. But ngayon, ibigay ulit natin kay MJ Raimundo because she now has a chance to interview one of the coaches for Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. MJ, go ahead.
No, I am with the head coach of Pampanga Delta Pradera, head coach Jay Shara. Good afternoon, coach. Hindi naging perfect in journey nyo to the championship, but now you are back at the top. Handa na ba kayo to be the first champions of the Born 2004 Cup?
Doon kami din sa preparation namin. Ano yung mga preparation na ginawa namin from practice. Doon sa mga games ng semis. Yun na naging motivation namin to prepare on finals. So, saka yun nga, baka ito yung isang puzzle para mabuo yung champion namin.
So, any message you want to give to your team and most especially to your opponent?
Yun nga, sana mag-stick kami doon sa game plan. Tapos yung motivation doon sa mga bata na sana ma-absorb lahat yung game plan para dito sa finals na to.
Good luck, coach, and to your team. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. And once again, thank you so much to head coach Jay Shera of Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. Is this the final puzzle to finally get that coveted championship nga, Coach Ernest? Kaya nga, let's take a look at our tail of the tape. What is the key para dito sa parehong koponan, Coach Ernest?
Actually, same story lang for the both teams, 'di ba? They are both well equipped. Kaso, makikita mo dyan, when it comes to rebounding, yung Pampanga Delta talaga yung lumalamang eh. And makikita natin sa field goals talagang lamang yung Pampanga. That's why, yung Hustle ang kailangan na maging game plan nila for them to win these finals is to protect the paint and protect yung rebounds.
Well, let's see nga, Coach Ernest, what team ang mananaling ngayon? Winner take all, do or die. Put your chips into the table. Let's see. We have 40 minutes of action to determine who will win the coveted championship of the 19 under. Coming up next, mga kasinag, it's the championship game between the Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park and the Hustle Rising Suns. And to introduce our Sinag starters of the game, let's turn it over to Ram Valid.
Mayapagat panapun kagayungan kabalan the SLA parents from the culinary capital region of the Philippines. We're coming to you live from the Brand Sigiao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to SLA Junior Showcase Philippines. Presented to you by Sinag Ligasha and co-presented by ZDO Food Sphere, foods that brings you home and through religion Philippines. We're also live at Sinag Ligasha official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. With our broadcast partner, Blast TV, Tab Sports, Fiber TV, TPN, and Cable Link, powered by Converge. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the finals of the SLA Junior Showcase Philippines. And now it's time to meet the starting lineups of the protagonists. First for your Hustle Rising Suns. Starting at point guard, number 1 from Muntinlupa City, Dwayne Miranda. Shooting guard, number 24 from Cebu City, Pads Padilla. At forward, number 6 from Los Baños, Laguna, Basti Reyes. Also at forward, number 17 from Nueva Ecija, James Eason. And center number 5 from Cavite, Luis Pablo. Head coach for Hustle Rising Suns is John Ross de la Cruz. Assistant coaches Dan Bautista, Philip Gray, Peter Aguilar. Team manager Mr. Tim Florando and team owner is Marjorie Christine de la Cruz. Your Hustle Rising Suns. And now let's meet the starting lineups of your Pampanga Delta Pradera. Starting at guard number 10 from Bacolor, Jog Moral. Also at guard number 18 from the city of San Fernando, Elijah Yusri. At center number 15 from Florida Blanca, BJ Pre. At forward number 23 from Antipolo City, Amiel Azido. And forward number 42 from Masantol, Jolo Navarro. Head coach for Pampanga Pradera is Jay Shera. Assistant coaches Pepe Duyeg, Mar Hansen, Totoy Marquez. Team consultant Mr. Patrick Dimatulak, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, your team owner. Your Pampanga Delta Pradera. Game officials charged in action. Anthony Roque, Jong Panayat, and Dennis Escaros.
And here are your Sinag starters of the game for Pampanga Delta. They're starting with UC, Moral, Acido, Pre, and Jolo Navarro. Para naman dito sa Hustle Rising Suns, they're starting with Ison, Miranda, Pablo, Reyes, and Pads Padilla. Winner take all. History versus story. Which team will win? Will it be the legacy hunting Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, or will it be etong Hustle Rising Suns looking to finish their story? As first possession goes to the home team, Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. Mas agad-agad, Ison with a steal on BJ Pre. A counter steal by Chog. Moral setting the play for Pampanga. Amiel swings it to VJ from the outside. Off the mark for Francis BJ Pre.
That was a good start coming from Hustle, no? We can see na malalaki tong lineup na ginawang starting five ni Coach Jay. Kaya lamang talaga sa speed tong sila James.
Yes, and one thing dun sa semifinals round, hindi naglaro si Manuel Luis Pablo. Kaya they got out-rebounded. Now we're gonna see Pre versus Pablo, two of the top young stars in the entire country. As Basti against Jolo Navarro, no good. Cleared here by Chog. Moral finds Elijah. UC from the outside, knocks it down! First 3 points for the hometown hero.
That was a good rip screen coming from Jolo Navarro, no? And good job kay Elijah UC doon, being ready doon sa spot-up shot niya.
And the Bulldog, itong si Elijah UC, of course, playing here in his home arena. Dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga, sa early call here will be whistled on Kenji. Chog Moral. Take a look at this. Great setup job here for Pampanga, and another 3-point shot. This time it's a make para dito kay Elijah UC. Ison kontra UC. Dadaan sa screen ni Pablo. They give it to Basti. Reyes, hop step, travels that time.
I like the defensive scheme, no, na pinapakita na itong Pampanga Pradera dahil they're hard showing Ison kasi alam nila shooter talaga yung bata.
And yun nga, James Ison was absent the entire semifinals round. Welcome back to the LaSalle Green Hills standout, di ba? So eto. Acido spins, fires, nearly put it up and in, pero the referee say foul on the ground. But syempre, Coach Ernest, sa lahat po ng mga kabali na nanonood sa social media ng Sinag Liga on Facebook and YouTube, punta na po kayo habang maaga pa dito nga sa Brenzigiao Convention Center. Regardless kung Hasselman or Pampanga, Delta ang inyong pinapanood. James Ison Gets called for a resentment to a call.
Despite of that, no, sa side naman ng Pampanga Pradera, you have to love the effort of Amiel na nakita niya mismatch sa matchup niya between him and James Eason, kaya talagang drive niya yon going forward doon, kaya siya na-foul.
And Amiel Asido, part of that, few sa lineup ng Pampanga Delta na hindi naman kapampangan, but diba, they proudly represent this province kahit hindi sila taga rito. Kapo Antipolo yan, di ba si Amiel Asido? Elijah, step back triple. Off the mark, and Pablo with a huge rebound here. Here comes the baby Tamarao. Dwayne spins, swings it to the Squire. Padilla, step back triple. No good, and a rebound for Amiel. Look at the versatility of these three bigs ng Pampanga. Asido to VJ. There was a clear push. Navarro did hit VJ Pre, but someone pushed Navarro towards VJ Pre, di ba, Coach Ernest?
Kailangan natin ma-appreciate na kahit big men to, itong lineup ng Pradera sa first quarter, sila pa yung tumatakbo
Take a look at this one more time. There you go. Clearly, Basti pushed Navarro towards VJ Pre. Baseline inbound again for the men in white. Good defense by Padilla. Nearly got a stop there. Kenji attacks. Moral. Offensive foul whistled here on Chogchog Moral.
That was a clear offensive foul, no? Talagang overextended na yung outside arm niya.
Take a look at this one more time. There you go. Good defense by Dwayne Miranda. Sagad-agad, Coach Jay Serra. Inupo si Chogchog Moral. Another hometown hero. The NU Bulldog himself, Justin Tebol Garcia, is now on the floor.
I'm excited for this matchup, Enzo. No? Dwayne Miranda going up against Justin Garcia, no?
A rivalry renewed from the Baby Tamaraos and the Baby Falcons there in the UAAP Juniors. As Eason attacks. Good defense. Pero rebounded by Reyes. Basti flips it up and in.
Yan yung reason kung ba't gamit na gamit si Basti sa NC and dito. Kasi he loves crashing the boards. He doesn't give up easily. Talagang pag may tumira, misman or made, lagi siyang andun sa loob, ready to get the rebound.
Pero ito naman rason bakit highly touted talent itong number 4 ranked high school basketball player in 2024, Justin Tebol Garcia. Grabe. The reigning finals MVP in the juniors and UAAP as a steal by Navarro. Jolo behind the back. Navarro, no looks it to Tebol. Yun nga lang, bothered by the height nito ni Luis Pablo. Ito si Garcia. Take a look at this one more time, Coach Ernest. The spin, the step through, and the finish from the lefty, Justin Garcia. Ito na yung matchup na inaantay ng lahat. Pablo kontra VJ. Pablo puts it up and in. Kain daw.
That's a grown-ass move, no? Talagang, kahit masikip yung gitna, he's not afraid. Ready talaga to si Pablo sa matchup niya against VJ Pre.
Ito, and a stop there for Pablo. Bothering that shot from Asido. Padilla gives it back down to Pablo. Sabi ni Pablo, give me a clear out. Luis, the hook shot. No go. Rebounded by Tebol.
Good D coming from Pampanga. Talagang humihedge sila. Ready sila humelt doon sa poste.
And from defense to offense, VJ Pre with the layup there on the break. Good start here for Pampanga. 7-4 ang ating score. James, hounded here by Tebol, gives it to Pads. Double teamed here. Eason, open look. No good. And look at Miranda flying out of nowhere for the rebound. Dwayne kontra UC. Baby Tamarao kontra Baby Bullpup. Good pass to Basti, and Reyes is fouled from his Letran Squire teammate, Jolo Navarro.
Good recognition coming from Dwayne. Kita niya naka-drop down lang yung yung bigs
Look at this, Coach Ernest. Ang ating lakas assist of the quarter. Pati may SM South Mall. Tebol Garcia going over to VJ Pre. The number 3 ranked high school basketball player going to the number 7 ranked high school basketball player 2024. Ito naman, for sure, aangat at aangat sa rankings, especially in the year 2025, Coach Ernest, di ba? Young Basti Reyes, a former Batangilas 16 under, a two-time NCAA Juniors champion with the Letran Squires, and may playing years pa yan sa Letran High School, di ba?
Right, kaya if you love Philippine basketball, you really should tune in dito sa game natin di ba? Kasi talagang yung mga future stars ng Philippine basketball, andito naglalaro.
Ito, especially this man, VJ Pre, and Justin Garcia, and Luis Pablo, di ba? Dami mga pangalan As Navarro with the up fake. Babawin ba niya si Basti? And he draws the foul on Luis Pablo.
Nakakatawa, you can see the familiarity no? Si Basti pinapatira si Jolo Navarro sa 3 points kasi alam niya medyo mahina
Totoo. As ngayon, ibigay natin kay MJ Raimundo for her report on the two teams facing off in this ball game. MJ?
We can't deny the hardships and sacrifices that these two teams had to overcome in order to make it to the finals. Tonight will be a testament of their dedication and commitment to their team as Pampanga Delta, who will give a heavy premium on their defense and will really show us a big picture of consistency, while Hazel Rising Suns will take us to their next level of success with their 3 H's: heart, hard work, and hustle. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. And yun na nga, it's all about yung journey nila dito. Not just yung mga wins and losses nila, but the sacrifice. These players are high school and college players na. They have to play for their college team, especially this man who will represent the country. In July 12 to 21, Jonathan Moses Manalili, di ba, Coach Ernest, representing Strong Group Athletics, di ba?
Right, and that will be a very huge thing for him, no? Yung makukuha niyang kumpiyansa, experience, alam mo yun, lahat yun, it will all boil down sa magiging experience niya doon.
Ito, experience Bacamo. A miss from the Bulldog, but a cleanup job from the Growling Tiger. Amiel Asido on the cleanup. Manalili works the pick and roll. This is where he really shines. Look at that pass to Pablo. And Pablo with the behind the back to Basti for the end one.
Wow, series of great passes, no? Leading to a very easy shot para dito kay Basti Reyes. Good decision doon kay Pablo. Na nakita niya, nag-collapse sa kanya.
Look at that. Good pass by Manalili. And then Pablo with his own version of the behind the back, Coach Ernest.
Yeah, leading to an easy pass, no? Dahil dun sa collapse kay Luis.
At yun nga lang, Basti, one area that he needs to improve upon is the free throw shooting na Coach Ernest.
Right. Actually, dalawa sila niyan. Kahit si Luis is really struggling.
Pero ito, Asido, good spin. Step back, kicks it to Doy. Dungo, off the mark. But look at VJ with the offensive rebound. Mintis yan, but look at Garcia again. The rebounding again, Coach Ernest, as you said, di ba, nung top of the coverage.
Right. Isang word lang yan, Enzo, yung sinabi mo kanina, yung versatility ng players, no? Na from...
And then, look at that, di ba? Manalili with the foul on Tebol Garcia, di ba?
Yeah, like what I was saying, no? Na from guard to bigs, talagang lahat kayang rebound, kayang shoot, kayang mag-dribble, perfect lineup.
Look at how tall their point guard is dito, di ba? Si Andre Dungo. As Asido, that's a traveling violation, whistled on Amiel. Good defense. Galing dito sa one of the top shot blockers, a man you know well, Vincent Miyako, Coach Ernest.
I'm a very big fan, no, sa playing style neto ni Vincent Miyako kasi walang arte tong batang to. Pag may pinagawa ka, defend this big, talagang tatrabahuin niya kahit mas lamang sa size, sa talent yung binabantayan niya.
Of course, he is also a former Tiger Cub. Pero ito, pasok naman ang newly recruited NU Bulldog, ang batang Kangkalu, Vince Reyes. Pero, welcome back, Titing Manalili to the Sinag Liga Assassin. Doy kontra kompetente. Doy gives it to Reyes. Vince block right there by Miyako.
Yeah, like what we were saying a while ago, di ba? Yung depensa talaga.
And
wow!
Manalili giving it over there. What a shot there from Manalili and what a pass there. Galing dito kay Rosilio.
And that's the influence, no? Yung nabibigay ni Manalili sa game. Talagang when it comes to transition, bigay mo na sa bata. Ang galing sobra.
And a foul there. That's gonna be the second on Ting Manalili. Take a look at this again. Ang ating lakas move of the quarter brought to by Cabling and Holdings Corporation. Kapampangan kontra Cebuano in a mid-air collision there. Ito, Elijah UC, the NU Bulldog, standout. The pride of San Fernando, Pampanga misses the first.
Yan yung kailangan i-workout ng Pampanga, no? They know lamang sila sa second chance points, lamang sila sa rebounding. So tendency niyan talagang gagawin lahat ng hustle for them to stop, alam mo yun, making easy shots dun sa loob. Tendency niyan, mafa-foul talaga sila. Lagi talaga silang nasa charity stripes niyan.
Yes, and yun nga, kailangan natin i-watch out, no, Coach Ernest, yung foul situation by both of these teams dahil nga, di ba, technically, sobrang daming talent, pero yung mga nasa taas ng rosters nila yung normally important. As an early timeout right here for Coach J.R. De La Cruz as they are protecting a 1-point lead, 12-11.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Sinagliga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Finals of the Born 2004 is brought to you by CDO Foods Beer. Food that brings you home. As you can see, Sebastian Basti Reyes, 7.8 points, 10.7 rebounds, and 1.2 assists. Grabe, Coach Ernest, for the pride of Los Baños, Laguna. Ibang klase yung dinadala nitong bata na to, di ba?
You can really see, no, na talagang ito yung stepping stone niya para makaangat dun sa pinagkakatiwala sa kanya ni Coach Allen and the rest of the coaching staff ng Letran dahil sa i-fill niyang spot.
Ang medyo malaking bagay dito for hustle nga pala, Coach Ernest. They do get Jonathan Manalili back, but wala ngayon si Vince Cuajo, who's their #1 scorer. Pero may Renzo kompetente naman pala sila.
Yan yung kailangan trabahuin ng Pampanga, no? Kasi for the whole season, for me, si Renzo talaga yung pinaka naging consistent na player ng hustle.
Yes. Eto, Rosilio, the Euro. He draws a foul. Grabe. From this former Mapua Cardinal standout, now transferring to the Letran Knights program. Take a look at this once again. Itong spin and the floater galing dito kay Renzo Brian Competente. Right here is a kid you're very, very familiar since last year, Coach Ernest. Itong si Peter Ryle Rosilio. You faced him when he was playing for Finenclo Calos PH, di ba, under Boss Monching Talisayon. And now, through the experience niya, playing in the NCAA Finals for Mapua, and even in the Pro Leagues, di ba, grabe ang in-improve niya.
Right, grabe yung growth talaga, no? Kasi last season, hindi siya ganyang ka-fitness gumalaw. Ngayon, kita mo na yung pagiging leader.
Yes, and now, they are up by 5, talking about the Hustle Rising Suns, 16-11.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
You can follow us on all of our social media platforms at Sinagliga Asia on both Facebook and Instagram dahil nga it's the winner-take-all match ng ating 19-under finals. So you can see Elijah UC right there, 12.7 points, 4.7 rebounds, 3.2 assists, and 2 steals a ball game for the pride of San Fernando, Pampanga. And now, let's give it over to MJ Raimundo for her report on Elijah UC.
What makes them a must-watch team is them being passionate in their work, in their game as Elijah, using wanting to find his rhythm for today's game. Kailangan namin maging all-out ngayon dahil both teams are all eyes on the prize. If we work and create a good camaraderie, one thing's for sure, every one of us can smile through victory. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. And he knows a thing or two about winning. He has won at the high school level. Itong si Elijah Yusi for the NU Bullpups, di ba? Together with guys like Kevin Gambao, Carl Tamayo. He has been there. Dito naman gusto niyang dala naman ng parangal. Sumali dun sa koleksyon ng mga kampyonato dito sa Pampanga, no? Di ba, Coach Ernest?
Oo, talagang nagbibigay siya ng magandang stats all throughout the season. Kahit naliligo ng all-star itong lineup ng ng Pampanga Delta, no? So we can really see yung talent ng bata kasi kahit ganyan, ready to step up anytime talaga tong si Elijah Yusi.
Whether it's off the bench or starting, di ba? Itong si Yusi who's always ready. It's a good stop here for Pampanga Delta. Doy gives it over to Vincent. Reyes bumps Pablo. They swing it over. JP. VJ. No go there and another rebound para dito kay Jonathan. Manalili. Spins. No look pass to Miyako. And Vincent to Pablo. Mintis na lang for Luis. Pero bola pa rin ng hustle. Kompetente. Block by VJ pero nadamay pati braso, sabi ng ating referee.
Oo, sa series ng play na yon, isa lang papasalamatan nila dyan, si Vincent Miyako, di ba? Yung effort sa pagpasa ng extra passes, tapos yung mga rebound, kaya nangyari yan.
Yun, clipped him. Itong si DJ Frank, clip competente to the tail end of that shot. Pablo will sit down. Competente to the free throw line, shooting two who, as you said nga, one of the most consistent players dito sa 19 under for the Hustle Rising Suns. Wow, missed us a couple of games, diba? That's why siya yung mas mataas na points per game average. But Competente has always been there every game. And look at that, we were just talking about Miyako's effort, Coach Ernest.
Oo, I love the game of Renzo Competente, no?
Tebol Garcia with the layup there. Eto na naman si Garcia. One of the best slashing point guards in the country. Rosilio travels that time. Ito si Peter. As Asido comes back in, replacing ito si VJ. But look at the luxury for Coach Jay Shera,
Right,
diba?
oo.
Take a look at this lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by CDO Foods, Beer Food that brings you home. Galing dito sa NU Bulldog. Oh, good steal by Rosilio. Peter zigzagging his way. He bumps. Short nga lang yung kanyang layup. Tebol on a 3-on-1. Garcia, good pass to Pangilinan.
That was a great play coming from Tebol Garcia. No, kita niya, nag-commit sa kanya. Easy drop pass.
That's the first 2 points for the pride of Bacolor, Pampanga and Manalili. No look pass, pero hindi nakatingin yung kanyang papasahan. That's a turnover para dito sa Hustle Rising Suns.
Right, that was a bad play coming from Jonathan. No? Kasi 3 straight na, either turnover or bad plays yung nangyayari. Kasi hindi nila ma-break yung 1-2-2 defense na itong Pampanga. So, kailangan i-set up dahan-dahan nila kasi sumasabay sila sa bilisan na itong
Pero look at that, pick and roll. Antipolo papuntang Caloocan. Asido to Reyes right there. As Manalili, agad-agad naman bumawi. Etong Cebuano, Jonathan Manalili beating the buzzer right there. Wow. After the end of the first 10 minutes, Coach Ernest, pantay pa rin tayo dito sa dalawang koponan. We are tied at 19. Grabe, these two are equally matched, as good as advertised.
Oh, equally matched. Talagang eager na lang talaga kung sino yung dedepensa ng mas maayos, alam mo yun, mas makakapag-execute ng plays ng maayos. Yun yung yung mga magka-come out on top dito sa game na to.
Dyan at that buzzer beater counts for Jonathan Manalili, and we are all squared at 19 after the end of the first period.
is not an option, it's a requirement. Coach Jay Shera of Pampanga Delta Pradera believes that his players will do their assignment and surely pass their requirement for tonight, as what he noticed with his players before entering the court is their eagerness to play and desire to finish the game with a victory, with a trophy. At dagdag pa nga niya, kung ano yung pinangako namin sa Kapampangan, tutuparin namin yun ngayong gabi. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. Winning is not an option. It's a requirement. Parang lahat ng level ata ng playing dito sa Pampanga, Coach Ernest, yun ang mindset, di ba? That's how they build champions dito sa Pampanga. From the pro level, the 23 under level natin, all levels and walks of basketball dito sa Pampanga. That's their mentality and they have shown it all throughout. And kaya nga tinalaga ang tong Pampanga na basketball capital of the Philippines, di ba?
Oh, I believe that, no? When it comes to Pampanga, isang pangalan lang yan, si Gov Delta Pineda talaga. Kasi the way he supports alam mo yun, yung talagang basketball culture na itong Pampanga, talagang, bumaba hanggang sa pinakasimpleng mga liga, di ba? Kaya you really have to appreciate it.
Medyo inayos lang yung ating shot clock and game clock there as the start of the second quarter. Again, all tied tayo at 19. Evenly matched parehong koponan dito. Competente swings it to Manalili. Jonathan. Squire, Knight kontra Bulldog, should I say. They swing it to Competente. Renzo, baseline jumper is good, plus a foul. Grabe. One of, if not the best shot creator dito sa 19 under, Coach Ernest, with the lakas shot of the quarter brought by CDO Foods Beer. Food that brings you home from a kid who has lots of experience, di ba, Coach Ernest?
Oh, he is in a league on his own, no? And so talagang, again, I'm a very big fan of Renzo Competente talaga. Family friend yan, sobrang galing na bata. Alam mo yun, again, very consistent all throughout the season.
Totoo. Of course, he started his career with San Sebastian sa high school, transferred to the Red Cubs, and then sa college, FEU, and then UST. Diba? And sabi niya sa akin, he's still looking at his options. Also, nanirahan din yan for a little while in his life sa California, di ba? So, he has already seen a lot of basketball in his career, di ba? Even starting with talk and text, tropang texter sa Batang PBA, itong si Renzo Competente. Tapos eto naman ang Batang Kangkalu, overshoots that layup. Pero Tebol, trying to go Jose Alvarado there behind Manalili.
Right, medyo nagre-reklamo si Luis doon, no? Kasi ayaw pa daw i-forward pass ni Jonathan.
A 3-point lead for the Rising Suns. Jonathan gives it to Competente. Renzo kontra Pangilinan. Renzo step through, swings it to Jonathan. 9 seconds on the clock. Manalili attacks. Manalili flips it up and in over Asito. And Eto Garcia babawi. Tebol gets fouled there by Renzo.
Wow, the plays coming from these kids, no? Talagang, grabe, anytime. Talagang magkakaroon tayo ng highlights na worthy talagang ipakita sa social media. Good job coming from Jonathan Manalili.
Look at that well-calculated attack ng ating lakas move of the quarter brought by Cabling and Holdings Corporation. For the pride of Cebu, Jonathan Moses Manalili, the NCAA Season 99 Juniors Finals MVP.
Oo, nakita niya there was a miscommunication coming from the Pampanga Delta, no? Kasi si Tebol Garcia umaasa lang sa help side. Hindi naka-ready, hindi nakababa. So very smart player to si Jonathan Manalili, na recognize niya going to the drive.
Garcia right here, the pride of San Fernando, Pampanga. Also a finals MVP sa juniors ng Adamson Baby Falcons. Tebol knocks down the second free throw. 4-point lead for the Rising Suns. Rosilio playing point guard. What a luxury for Coach JR to have both Rosilio and Manalili on the floor. Two letranistas, di ba, Coach Ernest? Eto Pablo kontra VJ. Good defense by VJ. Rosilio from the outside. In and out. Battle for the rebound. There's a foul going to be whistled here. It's going to be on Amiel Asido. Second personal foul for Amiel Asido. Elijah Yusi comes back into the ball game. Garcia sits down. Manalili swings ito kompetente. Renzo favorite spot. Di nga lang pumasok, and the tap by Pablo goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola dito sa mga nakaputi. As the UE Red Warrior, James Malonzo comes in, replacing Andre Dungo. Halos lahat ng player na pinapasok, laging may school dito sa UAP.
Talagang again, collection, pool of players na talagang very high talented talaga itong lineup ng Pampanga Delta.
Totoo. Asido swings it to UC. Elijah. Good seal by Amiel. And Amiel uses the glass right there.
Good recognition coming from Amiel, no? Kita niya, medyo ilang mag-effort si Luis Pablo kasi pag nag-effort siya, easy drop pass dun sa gitna
How about the matchup right here? Asido kontra Pablo. Season 98 kontra Season 99 MVP sa juniors ng NCAA, di ba? As Manalili draws another foul. Kalmahadong kalmado with the experience he garnered dun sa mga training sa SGA, di ba? Look at that drive right there. Dito sa Cebuano Pride, Jonathan Moses Manalili.
The ability talaga netong ni Jonathan Manalili to, alam mo yun, read muna yung situation. Nakita niya, kinat siya sa baseline ni, ni Malonzo. Kaya, alam mo yun, tinaas niya na lang yung bola, leading to a hop step, tapos na-foul siya. Very smart player talaga tong si Jonathan Manalili.
And a lot is expected from this kid, no, Coach Ernest. In the closeout Game 3 sa NCAA Juniors this past season, 38 points, 9 rebounds, 9 assists ang ginawa niya to win the championship for the Letran Squires program. As Moral dumps it off to VJ. Sobrang nga lang yung shortstop. Here comes Rosilio. Peter spins away from Alonzo. They give it over to Pablo, back to Manalili. Jonathan works the pick and roll with Pablo. Oh, good no-look pass. Basti scoops it up and in over Asido.
Again, the familiarity of Basti Reyes and Jonathan Manalili. Talagang basang-basa na ni Jonathan na every time na drive siya, magbabanana cut lang tong si Basti.
Totoo yun. Asido, for sure, napipiko na siya sa duo na yan. Dahil nga, sila yung kalaban niya sa NCAA Juniors Finals, di ba? For Perpetual. Manalili, fall-away shot. Again, drawing another foul. Ito si Jonathan.
Yeah, we can see na hanggang ngayon, it's all about the Jonathan Manalili show. Talagang, binubuhat niya tong Hustle Rising Suns.
Siya yung talagang key factor dito. And when I saw him, medyo, sabi ko nga, nakakatakot tong Pablo Manalili pick and roll. As Coach Jay Shera will call for a ceasefire here. His team is still down by 4 points. 26-22, 6 minutes and 49 natitira sa ating first half. Sinagliga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines 19 Under Finals is brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform. So shout out Boss Jun Linogon Jr. As you can see, two legends here dito sa probinsya ng Pampanga, Coach Alan Trinidad and Coach Camille Aisel Santos, and the rest of the platoon of coaches. Not just of the Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, but also the Pampanga Delta Royce Hotel and Casino and the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And of course, you can see 12.5 points, 7.5 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 blocks for Manuel Antonio Luis Pablo.
Oo, that's what you should expect, sa former #1 player talaga ng high school na si Luis Pablo. Talagang pang MVP numbers talaga
Grabe. At ngayon, ibigay natin kay MJ Raimundo for her report on Luis Pablo.
this could be the moment of truth. Every basket is important and one will be victorious as Luis making his own mark for the 19 under. His height advantage is the biggest factor he has to being a key player for his team. That's why he really has to capitalize on that for this game. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ryan.
Thank you so much. MJS VJ Press scores on Pablo, pero it has to be a big moment para dito kay Luis Pablo, Coach Ernest. The last couple of years, as Manalili puts it up in, last couple of years in championship games, Pablo, playing for Pasig Pirates, lost to Pampanga Delta in a 21 under tournament. Then lost to the Letran Squires sa NCAA Juniors. And then last season sa UAAP, playing for the Fighting Maroons, they lost to the De La Salle University Green Archers, diba? Can this be the moment kung saan Luis Pablo finally breaks through and wins a championship again, diba?
Oh, that's a nice story, no? Na talagang, very normal na sa kanya sa basketball career niya na talagang makapasok dun sa championship atmosphere, 'di ba? Pero again, hindi niya lang talaga makuha yung makakapag-break nun, 'di ba? Nung stigma na pag Luis Pablo natatalo talaga, 'di ba?
Oo. Eto na ba yung moment, 'di ba?
Right.
Hustle Rising Suns nga, 'di ba? Always second place, 'di ba? Manalili, sabi niya, it's our turn to finish our story.
Oh, that's very unusual for Jonathan Manalili, no? And it's very nice to see na talagang grabe yung growth niya.
Totoo. It's probably one of the things he has developed, diba, over the past few weeks.
Right.
And another stop for the Hustle Rising Suns. Jonathan. Oh, what a block by VJ! Good sportsmanship right there from VJ Pre. Tinayo niya ito si Jonathan Manalili after crashing down hard.
Oh, that's normal, no? Na talagang yan yung yan yung kailangan nating tignan pag finals na talaga eh.
Yan ang ating lakas block of the quarter brought to you by 0107 Management Group Incorporated. Konting stare down tapos
ang atagan. Yun yung maganda. After ng yabang mo, balik ka sa pagiging mabait. Ganun lang.
Ito Miranda gives it to Padilla. Pads. Euro step move. Nabitin lang. And Chog with a rebound. Malonzo on the attack. Euro step move over Manalili and Pablo.
That's a good move, no? Kita niya yung momentum ni Jonathan Manalili going right. So very smart play coming from Doral.
Neto, Padilla pulls up. Good jumper right there. Another Cebuano, Daniel Pads Padilla. We are treated to a scoring matchup here na Coach Ernest in the second period. Kenji fires off the mark, but look at the hustle here by Moral. And eto Miranda contra VJ. Good pass to Padilla. That's gonna be a traveling violation whistle here on Pads Padilla.
Yeah, we can clearly say, Enzo, na nag-i-struggle si Daniel Padilla dito, no? And that's not like him. Talagang kahit sa 23 under, pag pinagbigyan mo itong magkaroon ng magandang start, very dangerous player talaga tong si Daniel Padilla. So I hope, for the sake of the Hustle, the Rising Suns, he picks up his yung bad behavior niya dito.
Ito rin, not really a good day in the office so far for VJ Pre, who's averaging 22 points per game, di ba?
Oh, and we can clearly say, no, na talagang andyan yung yung aura, andyan yung threat pag may Luis Pablo ka sa loob.
Eto, Miranda works the pick and roll. Dwayne fires and draws the foul again. This time, Malonzo napituhan.
That was a good read coming from Dwayne, no? Kasi nakita niya nag-fight screen after ng reject niya. Kita niya humahabol si Malonzo So, very smart play doon. Talagang tinalunan niya.
And of course, this kid, young kid, Dwayne James Miranda, whose last name is an indication that he was bred to play in the big moments, in the big stages, di ba, Coach Ernest? His dad made a living out of that his entire career. Coach J.R. De La Cruz and Coach Peter Aguilar on your screens barking out instructions as Dungo comes back in for Pampanga. Wala pang halos ginagawa. Itong si Andre Dungo na Coach Ernest. Tahimik na tahimik pa tong si Andre.
Oo.
BJ gives it to Tebol. They swing it to Malonzo. James misfires. Tapingan ng bola. Basti outsmarts Jolo right there. Here comes Padilla. Jumper. Over Dungo. Wala yan. Tumatakbo itong mga nakaputi. Tebol. Veer step and he was bumped there, I believe, by Dwayne Miranda.
That was a clear foul, no? Medyo tumagilid si Dwayne doon sa hop step move ni Tebol.
Second personal foul whistled here on Dwayne Miranda. A 9-point lead for the Hustle Rising Suns. So far, itong Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park still trying to figure out, I wouldn't say this new look, pero parang ganun na rin kasi na Coach Ernest eh. Kasi this group of Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park, hindi pa nila nakikita tong version ng Hustle Rising Suns. Yung mga kuya nila sa 23 under ang nakakita nitong grupo na to, di ba?
Right, kasi halos same lineup lang tong Hustle Rising Suns sa 19 nila sa 23. So again, pwedeng good factor yun sa sa Pampanga kasi for sure yan, yung mga kuya nila sa 23. Oh guys, ganito yung play nila, ganito yung tendencies netong player na to. So it was a huge help for them.
Totoo. Ito, bola na naman ulit netong Hustle. Pablo wants the basketball, di nabigyan ni Miranda. Dwayne misses the pull-up jumper.
That was a good D coming from Elijah UC, no? Talagang dinedenay nila eh.
So look at that, mintis yung layup doon ni Doy. Padilla to Dwayne. And Miranda again travels. VJ Press length and athleticism, Coach Ernest, is bothering a lot of shots dito for Hustle sa painted area.
Oh, it goes both ways, no? Talagang nakakailang na may Luis Pablo sa painted area. Mas nakakailang, 'di ba? Na may VJ Pre sa kabila din naman. Kaya again, very equal type of players, 'di ba? Ang talagang magmamatter na lang neto yung attitude, yung pagla-let go ng ego nila, alam mo yun, working together as a team.
Totoo. Tebol misses his patented floater from the middle.
Yan, and that's the key to winning, no? Basti Reyes, very eager na talagang mag-crash ng boards.
Ito, Basti. Swings it dito to James. Eason surveys the floor. Eason having trouble. Finally gives it to Padilla. Pads, pull-up jumper. No good, and a running rebound here for UC. 4-on-2 for Pampanga. Doy, beautiful move on the fast break.
Finally, no, na-break na neto ni Dungo yung streak na puro missed shots, 'di ba? Turnovers. It was good for him.
Take a look at this lakas move off the quarter brought by Cabling and Holdings Corporation from the pride of San Simon, Pampanga. Doy Dungo with a beautiful hop step. Flipping it up and in with the left hand, and he cuts the lead dito ng Hustle Rising Suns down to 5, 35-30.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sinagliga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines 19 Under Finals is brought to you by Cabling and Holdings Group Corporation. As we can see, Dwayne James Miranda, 13.5 points, 3 rebounds, 3.5 assists, and 2 steals. All-around performance for the second generation Miranda no Coach Ernest. Manang-mana sa tatay yung mga numbers niya.
Oh, you can really see the influence of his dad sa game niya.
So as right now, let's give it over to MJ Raimundo for her report on Dwayne Miranda.
Dwayne really believed that the best view comes after the hardest climb. This season really tested his abilities. Hindi daw naging madali sa kanya yung challenges na hinaharap nila every game, pero hindi naman daw siya pwede mag-focus sa mga struggles and obstacles na hinaharap nila, because for him, they will never make it forward. As long as everybody's showing their willingness every quarter, they will reach the highest point and see the bigger picture, the biggest view. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Listening to that report ni MJ, kala mo veterano eh. Kala mo yung tatay na ni Dwayne Miranda yung nagsasalita eh. Diba? The best view comes from the most difficult climb, diba, Coach Ernest? Grabe naman yung mentality na yan. Kasi eto, Tebol all alone. And Justin Garcia with an easy layup right there. Down by 3 na lang sila.
That was a good read coming from Andre Dungo.
Pablo pulls it back. Padilla from the corner knocks it down.
What an answer from Pads Padilla.
Yeah, you can see, no? Talagang natuwa siya dun eh. Finally, na-break niya na yung ano eh. Nakashoot na siya eh. And for sure, it will be a very huge help no sa team niya. Kasi again, very great scorer to si Daniel Padilla.
As ito, UC from the outside, no go. Big rebound there by Basti. Manalili on the run. Jonathan on the open floor. Dungo babawi. He draws a foul dito.
Isang storya lang tong second quarter, Enzo, no? Transition. Walang nangyayaring set plays, di ba? Both coaches, Coach J, Coach JR, they are doing a great job, no? Sa pag-stop sa mga set plays netong both teams.
See the lakas drive of the quarter brought by CDO Food Beer Fruit that brings you home. Galing dito kay Jonathan Moses Manalili. Si Dungo ang na-foul and yet si Pre nasa free throw line kanina. As Coach Jair De La Cruz asking for an explanation from the referees. Bakit daw mag-free throw si Dungo? Our referees explained it to him and sabi ni Coach Jair, okay, that's the reason why. No issues. As 2 free throws here for the former Mythical 5 of the Juniors NCAA for San Beda Red Cub. The former Mythical 5 ng UAAP Juniors for the UST Tiger Cubs. And now, he's going to don the jersey of the De La Salle University Green Archers next season. Andre Doy Dungo, as you can see his father, Councilor Dave Dungo of San Simon, Pampanga on your screens. Basti, power move, good defense. Nabasa ni Jolo Navarro yun. As eto na naman, Garcia with an easy layup on the other end.
That's what's great here no sa Pampanga Pradera na yung defense nila hindi lang basta tao eh. Si Coach J talagang nagta-transition, nagsha-shuffle from man, nagiging zone, balik sa man, zone ulit. Kaya nahihirapan tong hustle na mag-adjust.
Di mo alam anong gagawin mo. No? UC to Tebol, to Dungo for the alley-oop. Lahat ng 4 nakahawak as Manalili agad-agad umatake. And he attacks his Letran Square teammate Jolo Navarro. Si Garcia din yung foul dun. Swiping at Manalili on the side. We take a look at this again. Ang ating lakas play of the quarter brought to by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform, make quality play sa Pampanga Delta right there. As ito lang, Coach Ernest, sa lahat ng skill set ni Jonathan Manalili, this is probably his only weakness, yung free throws, no?
Right, talagang yung shooting performance niya talaga, no? Though we can see it improving, talagang andyan pa rin yung kailangan niyang ma-improve talaga very quickly dapat yun, no? Kasi papasok na siya sa college, mas tatangkad na yung mga depensa niya, mas titigas na, mas lalakas na. Kaya again, he needs to work on his shooting talaga. Kaya, I know na talagang sa mga scouting reports sa kanya, ang laging sinasabi sa kanya when he is going sa screen, go under. Kaya again, kailangan niya ma-overcome yun.
Totoo, pero ito naman, Luis Pablo, a very, very talented center, also has been struggling almost his entire young career from the free throw line, di ba, Coach Ernest?
Right, you can't have it all talaga. So, pero again, Luis Pablo, nasa magandang program siya ngayon. Diba, DLSU. For sure, Coach Topex and the rest of the coaches, tulad ni Coach Joe, yung skills coach nila, talagang may improve niya yan.
That's right, as Tebol swings it, UC, open look, and Elijah!
Wow!
Clean as a whistle, tie game at 41. Manalili again draws another foul.
Yeah, that was a great recognition coming from Tebol. No? Nakita niya, nag-collapse sa kanya, ayaw pa rin umalis. Kick out kay Elijah UC. And UC, di ba, great job recognizing na talagang ipapasa sa kanya. Ayan, very nice.
Look at that. Wide open look for the lakas stress of the quarter brought by Sunsport, the official basketball. See, nagliga Asha from Elijah UC as Manalili knocks down the first free throw to break our tie. 10.4 seconds natitira sa ating first half of this winner-take-all championship game.
Ito yung funny, Enzo, no? Na for the rest of the quarter, flows, may lumalamang ng sobra. Tapos pag matatapos na,
game.
nagtatay na naman.
Oo, mas kompetente. Half-court heave, wala yan. After a tie start ng second quarter, tied at 19. 1-point lead. That slim of a margin. Galing dito sa Hustle Rising Suns. Ang ibabaon nila as we can see some of these second quarter highlights. And it was a clear Jonathan Moses Manalili show dito na Coach Ernest.
Oo, talagang yung influence niya sa court when it comes to passing, making shots, di ba? Helping his team, talagang kitang-kita mo eh.
Totoo. And grabe nga, he led this Rising Suns to a massive 9-point lead in this quarter. Pero bumawi sila Dungo, Tebol Garcia, and Elijah Yusi as the Squires trying to link up dito for the Rising Suns. As they have a small margin of a lead here. A 1-point lead at the half for the Hustle Rising Suns dito. Malalaman po natin sa pagbabalik natin sino ba ang ating 19 under C Nagliga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines champions.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako'y Daniel Pineda ng Pampanga Pradera Team Park. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Oh! Yan na naman siya! Yan says, kalma lang tayo, lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play, sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kiss sa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
What is up mga kasinag? Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asia at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Subic to meet and get a chance to talk to some very important people para sa future ng Sinag Liga Asia and also to get to witness the graduation ng senior high school department ng Lyceum Subic Port. As we all know, ang Lyceum Subic Port po ay parte ng Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase and also they're a big part sa ating future. Kaya tara na po and let's see what's in store for Sinag Liga Asia.
We're excited, and I would like to invite all, especially the towns. We have 12 towns in Zambales, and there's a lot more. And we are very proud to tell you that we are joining a very good league, and we have a very good platform. So, antayin nyo kami, and we will join.
Yan na po mga kasinag. You heard it first from Attorney Alfonso Burda ng Lyceum Subic Port na ang Lyceum Sharks Subic Port ay handang-handa na po para sa SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga. Pero hindi lang po yun ang kanya sinabi kanina. Meron nga po silang nilulutong something special for all the colleges, universities, and high schools para dito sa Norte. And syempre, very soon po mga kasinag, meron din po tayong dyang niluluto sa South Region naman po ng Luzon. Kaya po mga kasinag, tutok lang po. Especially napakalapit na po ng ating SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga po yan. Once again, ako po, si Enzo Galarosa ng Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
Ako si Alpi Martinez ng Team Fire Chief. Suportahan ng Sinag Lakas 40 2.0.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Ako si Underdog ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
What is up mga kasinag? Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asia. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa Subic to meet and get a chance to talk to some very, very important people para sa future ng Sinag Liga Asia and also to get to witness the graduation ng senior high school department ng Lyceum Subic Port. As we all know, ang Lyceum Subic Port po ay parte ng Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase and also they're a big part sa ating future. Kaya tara na po and let's see what's in store for Sinag Liga Asia.
We're excited, and I would like to invite all, especially the towns. We have 12 towns in Zambales, and there's a lot more. And we are very, very proud to tell you that we are joining a very good league, and we have a very, very good platform. So, antayin nyo kami, and we will join.
Yan na po mga kasinag. You heard it first from Attorney Alfonso Burda ng Lyceum Subic Port na ang Lyceum Sharks Subic Port ay handang-handa na po para sa SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga. Pero hindi lang po yun ang kanya sinabi kanina. Meron nga po silang nilulutong something special for all the colleges, universities, and high schools para dito sa Norte. And syempre, very, very soon po mga kasinag, meron din po tayong diyang niluluto sa South Region naman po ng Luzon. Kaya po mga kasinag, tutok lang po. Especially napakalapit na po ng ating SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga po yan. Once again, ako po, si Enzo Galarosa ng Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
Ako si Jojo Hate ng Tatak Chelbinyan. Suportahan ninyo ang Sinag Lakas 40 2.0.
Si Vice Mayor Jalalonte ng Binyat Takjal Team. Suportahan po natin ang Sinag Lakas 40 2.0.
Ako si Paul Chavarria ng Binyang Tatak Gel Team Sailun. Tutok lang kayo sa Sinag Liga Asia, Lakas 40.
Ako si Lou Abad ng Tito Rex Firewire. Suportahan ang Sinag Lakas 40 2.0.
Welcome back mga kasinag dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 Winner Take All Finals. Alam ko, napaka-excited niyo na po lahat dito sa loob ng Brenzigiao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga para alamin sino ba between the Hustle Rising Suns and the home team, Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, ang magiging kampyonato ng ating tournament. Alam natin na subaybayan po natin lahat ang ating napakagandang Born 2004 tournament kung saan ang daming teams na nagpakitang gilas. Pero siyempre, there have been 5 specific individuals that shined among the rest. Kaya po ngayong gabi, bibigyan po natin ng parangal ang ating Mythical 5 for the Born 2004 Cup. And siyempre, we will also crown tonight our most valuable player. But siyempre, I will invite someone who knows something about being outstanding, someone who knows a little bit about being an MVP, the commissioner of Sinag Liga Asia, PBA legend himself, the Slasher, Commissioner Rodney Santos, to award the Mythical 5 members and the MVP. Com Rodney, can you please join us here? Palakpakan naman po natin si Com Rodney Santos. So for the first Mythical 5 awardee, a big man averaging 7.8 points, 10.1 rebounds, 1.3 assists, playing for the Hustle Rising Suns, the pride of Los Baños, Laguna, Sebastian Basti Reyes. Congratulations, Basti. Now, for our second Mythical 5 awardee, averaging 15.6 points, 3.4 rebounds, and 4.3 assists. Playing for the Hustle Rising Suns, Cebu City's own Daniel Pads Padilla. Congratulations, Pads. For our third Mythical 5 member, averaging 18.7 points, 6.1 rebounds, 1.1 assists. Playing for the Hustle Rising Suns, the pride of Quezon City, Lorenzo Brian Competente. For our fourth Mythical 5 member, averaging a league-leading 31 points per game, 8.8 rebounds, 3.3 assists. Playing for the J Project Clothing Boomers, the pride of Kapatagan, Andy N1 Himao. Unfortunately, Mr. N1 cannot join us, but on behalf of Sinag Liga Asia, we would like to congratulate Andy Himao and his family for being a member of the Mythical 5. But syempre, mga kasinag, last but not the least, averaging a whopping 22.8 points, a league-leading 10 rebounds, 2.4 assists, playing for your Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park, the pride of Florida Blanca, Pampanga, Francis VJ Pre. May we have a picture po with all of the Mythical 5 members in the middle? Can you four stay muna po sa gitna? As we, ladies and gentlemen, are about to announce our most valuable player. Pero siyempre, once again, on behalf of Sinag Liga Asia, mga kasinag, palakpakan po natin ang ating Mythical 5. Sebastian Basti Reyes, Daniel Pads Padilla, Lorenzo Competente, Andy N1 Himao, and Francis VJ Pre. And now, it is time to crown our inaugural Born 2004 Most Valuable Player. Averaging 22.8 points, 10 rebounds, 2.4 assists. Palakpakan po natin the pride of Florida Blanca, Pampanga, our most valuable player, Francis VJ Pre of Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park. Francis, let us talk to our MVP. Once again, palakpakan po natin mga kasinag, ating Mythical 5, and of course, our MVP, VJ Pre. VJ, congratulations. What a journey it has been for you for your young career. Bago ka mag-step into college, ano bang ibig sabihin nitong MVP award in Mythical 5 para sa'yo, sa kumpiyansa mo, and not just for your family, but also for yourself?
Unang-una nagpapa-thank you ako kay Lord, and siguro bonus na lang to kasi nagtatrabaho ko para sa pagka-college ko, and yun, palaging enjoy lang ako.
Well, congratulations. Alam ko, meron kang mga tao pang gustong pasalamatan at batiin. Now's your chance to thank every one of them that helped you to get to this point.
Unang-una, nagpapa-thank you ako sa mga Kapampangan na nanonood dito, and sa family ko doon, and kay Boss Gob, and teammates ko sa FAU, tsaka sa teammates ko doon.
Once again, congratulations, VJ Pre. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm round of applause to our MVP, Francis VJ Pre of Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. And now mga kasinag, alam ko excited na po kayo, but bago po yan, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Milka Jazz Raimundo, dahil meron siyang very special guest na makakausap ngayon. Milka, take it away.
I am with the President and CEO of Sinag Liga Asia Philippines, Mr. Ray Alao. It is the last game for the Born 2004 League. Now, how do you feel that we are back in Bransigyao with the championship atmosphere?
Siyempre, unang-una nagpapasalamat tayo sa Hustle Rising Sun, kay Ma'am Marge de la Cruz. Siyempre, ganun din sa Pampanga Delta, kay Governor Delta Pineda. Grabe yung bakbakan nila ngayon kasi sila talaga yung pang-finals na team. Isipin mo, lahat ng mga nandito na naglaro, puro superstar ng UAAP, NCAA, di ba? Talagang nakakatuwa kasi naglaro lahat sila sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Being the president of the Sinag Liga Asia, meron po ba kayong gustong i-advise or message for the players na lumalaban po dito sa do or die game?
Ayun, siyempre, mapasalamat tayo sa lahat ng sumusubaybay sa Sinag Liga Asia, lalong-lalo na yung si attorney Al Borda na sumuporta sa Sinag Liga Asia para magkaroon ng katuparan yung mga pangarap ng mga taga-Norte na magkaroon ng Sinag Liga Asia Norte Intercollegiate.
Once again, that is the CEO and President of Sinag Liga Asia Philippines. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ, and thank you so much to our very own President and CEO, Boss Ray Alao, as eto nga ang Hustle Rising Suns, lamang ng 1 puntos at the half, 42-41 kontra dito sa Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. Dito nga sa ating winner-take-all finals, as we can see some of these halftime highlights, Coach Ernest. And Coach Ernest, what did you see in that first half? Bakit lamang ng isa itong Hustle Rising Suns?
Right, unang-una kailangan natin bigyan ng focus, no? Yun talagang naging problema nila all throughout the match-up, from eliminations hanggang sa semis against Pampanga Delta. Yung rebounds, we can see now, Enzo, lamang sila. 24 yung rebounds nila total, habang yung Pampanga 17 lang. That's why lamang sila ngayon, and we can see sa points from turnovers, lamang na lamang din sila with 13, habang yung Pampanga, they only have 8. Dito naman sa side ng Pampanga, we can really see na lahat talaga nagtatrabaho. They have assist na talagang mataas with 14, habang itong Hustle may 10 lang. And dito talaga nagkakatalo sa fast break points. Tulad ng pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Enzo, sa second quarter, isa lang yung naging storya, puro transition. Kaya we can see talaga na yung fast break points ng Pampanga, 18, habang itong Hustle, 10 lang.
Yes, that's right, Coach Ernest. So almost all statistical categories, dikit lang, except for the rebounding category, which uncharacteristically for Pampanga, sila yung down on the rebounding department nga, despite them having the more taller centers. Dahil dito nga sa panig ng Hustle, it's just Luis Pablo and Basti Reyes, diba? So let's see, this is just a 1-point lead. Can't get any closer than this na, Coach Ernest, as we see the leading scorers. Garcia leads the scoring for Pampanga, 11 points. UC with 7, 6 points for Doy Dungo, and the newly crowned MVP, VJ Pre. Para naman dito sa panig ng Hustle Rising Suns, Jonathan Moses Manalili leads all scores with 16. Basti Reyes with 8. Competente with 6. And Pads Padilla with 5. So look at that, diba, Coach Ernest, yung leading scorers for Hustle Rising Suns. All 3 members of the Mythical 5 for their team nandun sa leading scorer's name.
Oo, actually, yun yung napakaganda no? Na talagang hindi lang pang stats. When it comes to playing the game din, makikita mo, andun din yung influence, andun din yung nakikita mo talaga yung nabibigay nilang importance pag nandun sila sa loob.
Totoo. Eto nga, the third quarter. If you thought the first half was entertaining, emotional, and physical, mas aangat yan by 10 dito as the reigning MVP misses. Put back, wala. Third serving is finally a charm para dito sa ating reigning MVP.
Oh, he's really showing, no, kung ba't siya yung napiling MVP.
As Padilla steps out of bounds there. And that's gonna be a point of emphasis na Coach Ernest. Etong si VJ Pre.
Right.
What did that award nung halftime mean for his confidence dito sa second half? Kasi in that first half, Pablo was really giving it his all to stop VJ at the defensive end.
Oh, very, very, very crucial, no? Kasi hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, I've also felt, di ba, yung mabigyan ng MVP award. Tapos third quarter, pasok ka, laro na naman. Very, very, talaga nakakapagbigay ng boost of confidence talaga.
Look at this lakas grabs, actually, of the quarter brought by Fulitech Philippines Incorporated. That was 2 offensive rebounds galing dito sa ating newly crowned MVP. As Malonzo misses the first free throw right here. The crucial part about this in close games, Coach Ernest, will always come down to the free throw shooting, di ba, ng parehong koponan.
Right, kasi actually pinag-uusapan lang natin yan kanina, Enzo, na both teams magaling talaga when it comes to the painted area. So, tendency talaga niyan, either hahampasin ka, they will do anything talaga for, alam mo yun, para ma-stop lang yung pagiging dominant ng isang team sa loob. So, dapat ready talaga sila dyan sa charity stripes.
Totoo, as ito, Dwayne Miranda with a floater in the middle. Can that get Dwayne going? As VJ Big steps to the basket, puts it up and in, plus a foul. And look at that. Engka, sabi dito ni VJ Pre kay Pablo.
The confidence is there, no? Talagang pinag-uusap. Sabi mo pa lang kanina eh.
And look at that, ang ating lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food Spear. Food that brings you home from the newly crowned 19 under MVP Francis VJ Pre.
You can see the transition, no, Enzo? Kanina medyo tahimik lang. Sige, kayo gumawa. Kuha-kuha lang ako. Wow, good pass.
Di lang pumasok. Good defense by Asido. Basti felt like he got hit. Malonzo fires from the outside. Short nga lang that time. Here comes Basti. They give it to James. Double team, and there's gonna be a foul whistled here after Ison tried to split the defense.
That's a good decision kay Basti, no? Tsaka dito kay James Ison na talagang nakikita nila medyo fast-paced na eh. Doon lumalamang yung Pampanga. Nakita naman nila ng second quarter. So, very smart play. Bagalan natin, set tayo ng play. Kaya naman nila eh.
Totoo. Eto, Pablo fires. And the counter. Look at that. A homage to De La Salle University legend, Mac Cardona. Ano height mo?
Yeah, grabe. Yung competition ng dalawang centers natin, kitang-kita natin, no? So, very exciting.
And a pick and pop play here. Very familiar because you run that play for the Boomers na Coach Ernest with Amiel Asido.
Talagang iba talaga eh. Pag meron kang Amiel Asido, tapos kahit si VJ Pre, he can shoot the lights out dito sa 3-point area. Kaya talagang, Coach J can be, alam mo yun, can be creative sa pag-set ng horns play niya.
That was, again, a 1-point lead now for Pampanga Delta. Ison swings it to Miranda. They go down low. And that's going to be a foul on JP Pangilinan reaching in on that pass to Pablo.
Yeah, that's a clear foul, no? And like what we were saying, Enzo, yung hustle para manalo, wag sila makipagsabayan sa bilis na itong Pampanga kasi sobrang sobrang tatalino, nasa kondisyon yung mga bata, with the height, di ba? With the versatility, tulad ng sinasabi mo kanina, tatakbuhan talaga sila niyan.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Ernest. And now we turn it over to Milka Jazz Raimundo for her report on Coach John Ross de la Cruz of the Hustle Rising Suns.
Slowly but surely, Hazel Rising Suns head coach JR De La Cruz is making a formula for success. For the remaining quarters, ang gusto lang daw niyang gawin ng mga bata is to work hard on their defense and convert a good basket. Dito na nga nila ipapakita ang importance ng execution. It might be a huge challenge for his team, but Coach JR De La Cruz wants to make a difference to strengthen their spirit and to rise against the odds. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. And two things to that report, diba? Especially when it comes to dikit na laro in a winner-take-all match na Coach Ernest. Execution down the stretch. And also, sabi nga ni MJ, according to Coach JR De La Cruz, the odds are stacked against them. Yes, dahil they're not on their home floor. We are at home dito sa Pampanga, kung saan itong Pampanga Pradera Team Park is basically their hero team, di ba?
Very true yun. Sasabihin ko pa lang talaga, Enzo. So that was a good insight. Yung kay Coach JR talaga yung sinabi niya, yung execution, kailangan talaga dahan-dahanin nila. Tulad ng sinabi niya, make the best shot selection possible. Yun yung magiging key for them.
Totoo. A pick and roll there between the two big men ends up in a turnover. Padilla, pull-up three-pointer. Off the mark, and Asido with the board. Oh, beautiful pass to Navarro. And masyadong malalim lang yun si Jolo. But Malonzo keeps it alive for the men in white. VJ, good defense right there by Padilla. All tied pa rin tayo dito. 7 minutes and 6 natitira sa ating third period.
Again, very smart play kay Daniel Padilla, di ba? Keep things slow, di ba? Set up tayo, ganyan mangyayari.
As Dwayne Miranda with the layup right there. 2-point lead now for the Rising Suns. Navarro. They swing it out to Moral. Kenji behind the back. Chog. Not a pick, but there's a foul called here by our referees.
The confidence, no? Grabe. Series of movement leading to a very open drive. Sayang lang na foul siya doon.
Totoo. As Kenji Chog Moral will go back to the free throw line. The pride of Bacolor, Pampanga. As, of course, batiin lang natin Coach Ernest ng happy watching the beloved governor and the team owner of Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, watching right now. Of course, Boss June Linogon Jr. of J Project Clothing Shop, Sir Andrew Chuachoy of Sunsport, our official basketball, and of course, Sir Edward Salvador of Fulitech, our official advertising partner dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Happy watching po sa inyong lahat, and we hope that you are enjoying this very intense winner-take-all matchup between the Hustle Rising Suns and Pampanga Delta. Eto Miranda against Moral. Dwayne, babanggain si Chog. Good help there by Asido. Ison from the outside. Short, but Miranda keeps it alive on the long rebound. Pablo wants it against Navarro. Good hands there by Jolo.
8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot.
And a near steal by Doy. It is now a steal. Dungo spins, pero napigilan. Asido swings it to Moral. Good up fake. Chog flips it up and in. Hear the oohs and ahs from the crowd. Pablo gets away. Luis to Basti. Blocked by Dungo. But they say hit Basti behind the head.
And that's the problem, no, of overplaying. That was a bad decision kay Jolo Navarro. Kaya dahil doon, very smart si Luis Pablo. Easy math. Kulang ng isa, drive tayo, then drop pass kay Basti.
Pagka ganun, nagkakaroon ng mga 2-on-1, 2-on-1 opportunities na Coach Ernest.
Yeah, that was a bad decision dito kay Jolo. Medyo na-excite siya doon kasi medyo mabagal naman talaga yung pasa.
As ito, Basti Reyes is now at the free throw line. Also, batiin lang natin Mr. Joey Valencia, the owner of Exile. And of course, Boss Winley of Winzen's Cafe in Naga City, Cebu. And of course, Attorney Alfonso Borda, the president of Lyceum Subic Bay. Nanonood din ngayon. Basti. There's 1 for 2. Tied pa rin tayo at 50. Coach Ernest at the midway point of the third period. Sinong bibitaw dito sa ating laro? Chog. Good drop pass. Wow. And Navarro with the layup.
Grabe, Chog Moral, no? Being the hero in this third quarter, setting up great plays. Alam mo yun, keeping the momentum high for Pampanga Delta.
And right there, Pablo. Oh, he misses the layup. Eto na si Asido on the run. Amiel bumps, puts it up. And he'll troop to the line, shooting 2 free throws right here.
Yeah, things are really working out for Pampanga Delta, no? Unang-una dahil sa influence nitong Moral. Very great plays, very great decisions.
Take a look at this Chog Moral with the lakas drive of the quarter. Brought to you by CDO Food Spear Food that brings you home. What a drive for Moral, drawing, 3 defenders doon na Coach Ernest.
Yun yung maganda no? Pag, alam mo yun yung player ka na ang trabaho mo lang, alam mo yun, mag-fancy, tapos pag naiwan, it keeps the moral high Kaya dahil yan sa mga actions na nagawa niya, leading to easy baskets, tignan mo, nasa Pampanga Delta na tuloy yung momentum.
Alam ko hindi pun intended yung kasi sabi mo, it keeps the moral high. Si Chog Moral yung nag-drive Coach Ernest. Alam ko hindi mo na-realize. Diba? As Dungo with a steal.
Oo nga, no?
Diba? Doy on the run. Dungo goes all the way. Now a 6-point lead for Pampanga Delta. Rosilio gives it to Basti. Competentes now on the floor for the Rising Suns. They can't give it to him. Good defense by Doy.
Good blow up, no?
Competente against Navarro. Renzo. And there's a foul on
That's
Navarro.
a foul. Yeah, that's a foul.
Bailout foul, no, Coach Ernest? Kasi walang nangyayari sa offense nila ng Hustle Rising Suns.
Right. Yeah, this was a good timeout for Coach JR. No, medyo magulo na kasi talaga
Yes, it's now a 6-point lead for Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park. 56 to 54 minutes and 35 natitira sa ating third period.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
You can see the huddle here of Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park. Up by 6 now. Kanina, deadlock tayo at 50, Coach Ernest. And they are being led by our season MVP. VJ Pre, 22.8 points, 10.4 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 2.2 blocks. Well-deserved MVP award.
Totoo talaga, yeah. Oo, totoo talaga, no? And ngayon pa lang, 11 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, diba? Talagang he's really showing who, alam mo yun, kung ba't siya napili ng Pampanga to lead the team.
FEU Tamarao really carrying itong kanyang koponan. Newfound confidence for VJ Pre. And now, let's give it over to MJ Raimundo for her report on our newly crowned MVP, Francis VJ Pre.
With all the achievements he had from different leagues, hindi pa nga daw siya kontento sa mga ito. Dumagdag pa ang award na nakuha niya ngayon. But according to him, every league has its own story, has its own history. This game might be a do-or-die game, but his fighting spirit remains in his mind. Maraming beses na daw siyang sinubok ng laro, pero hindi ibig sabihin na magpapatalo siya. Just like tonight, alam daw niyang maraming magkocontrol sa kanya. The opponent will limit his capabilities, pero ipapakita daw niya ang killer instinct ng isang VJ Pre. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. And just these past 2 years, VJ Pre has already garnered a lot of awards. And yung recently nga niya is a Mythical 5, playing for the first time at the college level sa PhilOil, di ba, Coach Ernest? And first time niya yun at the college level, di ba?
You can really see na ready talaga siya, no, for the next step, which is yung college level talaga. Siguro ang kailangan niya na trabahuin dito is yung, alam mo yon, yung shooting niya. Kasi when it comes to big aspects, yung pagiging big man, perfect na
Oh, as a steal right there by Rosilio. Peter drops it off. Basti with the easy 2 points.
Yeah, and that's what they need, no? And I hope this wakes up Hustle Rising Suns kasi medyo bumagal sila and deserve to na si Peter dapat yung mag-lead for them to, alam mo yun, to step up.
And look at that. Another foul by Dungo trying to steal the ball away from Rosilio after they stole the ball again. Second personal foul whistled on Doy. In penalty na parehong koponan. This would mean 2 free throws per Peter Ryle Rosilio.
Oo, and we can see no, na naging maganda yung adjustment ni Coach JR dito kasi yung unang first 5 niya dito sa third quarter, medyo pang pang pacing, pang set plays. Ngayon nag-adjust na siya. Pinasok niya si Jonathan, si Peter na para ma-battle out yung transition offense nitong Pampanga.
Also watching right now, Coach Ernest, the OG Hustle Rising Sun, Tristan Tubangi. Happy watching. Tristan and siyempre, si Tristan Tubangi and the rest of this group ng Hustle Rising Suns nag-aabang ng turn nila sa 23 under naman, di ba, Coach Ernest?
Right, oo. Talagang siguro si Tristan, he's figuring out kung ano ba yung feel di ba? Para mas makapag-prepare siya, alam mo yun. Kasi same place lang din naman sila nitong Pampanga Pradera for sure.
Yes.
Sorry, ng Hustle Rising Suns, yeah.
Same group, di ba?
Right.
Tapos nasa finals ng parehong tournament natin. How crazy that is. Eto Manalili, really a difference maker for Hustle Rising Suns ever since his insertion back to the lineup. As I say that, nakalayap agad ito si Jonathan Manalili.
Oo, and that's the struggle you'll be having, no? Pag hinayaan mo talaga to si Jonathan magkaroon ng open lane.
All tied na naman tayo at 57. Tebol attacks, puts it up and in. What an attack there by Tebol Garcia.
Oo, grown man move, no? Kahit umander sa kanya sa screen, diniretso niya pa din. Very brave.
And look at that. Bawi naman daw si Manalili. It's parang one up each other ang ginagawa na itong dalawang koponan na to eh.
Oo, nagpapalitan, no? Pero again, kaya nila pwede. Kasi close game.
Manalili attacks. Manalili puts it up. And again, another foul is going to be whistled here on Andre Dungo. And that's going to be his third. And he just walks back to the bench.
And that's not nice, no?
Take a look at this. Ito, nice Coach Ernest, ang ating lakas move of the quarter. Brought in by Cabling and Holdings Corporation by Jonathan Moses Manalili.
And that's not nice, no? Tulad what I was saying. Very important ka sa team. You are one of the star players. Kailangan yan maging maingat ka sa fouls mo kasi third pa lang and you have 3 fouls. Diba? You will be a target, diba? Magiging target basketball na yung playing style ni Coach JR dyan na pag pinasok si Andre, very vital sa team ng Pampanga, atakihin natin ng atakihin.
Totoo. At kung hindi man siya fumaul, di ba, yung depensa niya, yung effort niya on the defensive end will now take a backseat dahil nga, yun, iiwas na yan sa mga fouls.
Right, very smart Enzo, no? Good insight doon na talagang may ilang na siya dumepensa, totoo yun.
Eto, Asido. Gives it to VJ. Hands it off to Garcia. VJ spins. Blocked by Pablo! Wow! Pablo just erases that in midair. Manalili, stolen away by Garcia. Tebol against Basti. Puts it up and in over Reyes.
Grabe, the confidence of this kid. Very brave, no? Alam mo yun, kahit big man yung sasalubong sa'yo, alam mo yun, nandun yung buwelo niya Kaya, confident talagang lumayap tong si Garcia. And with the hop, no? Guard yan, guys, guard yan.
Totoo. Pero Coach Ernest, kahit dikit ang laro natin, eto yung ayaw ng Hustle Rising Suns. Ma-involve itong home crowd ng Pampanga. Alam natin, you have played against this crowd. And I know you hate going up against this crowd dahil parang may extra energy na kukuha yung mga players, di ba?
Right, and that's the importance, no, of playing in your home court. Pero again, the struggle is itong hustle. Diba? Kailangan nila maging composed. Alam mo yun, huwag magpadala sa crowd.
Totoo. Ill-advised shot there by Competente dahil 1-on-4 ang nangyari doon.
Yeah, and for sure, si Coach JR, kailangan niyang kausapin yung team niya, i-compose yung players kasi medyo nagmamadali na talaga. They are playing now in the play style of Pampanga Delta na sige, takbuhan tayo, make stops, takbuhan tayo.
Totoo. As Rosilio, flip shot, no go. Asido with a rebound.
Yeah, and we can clearly see, no, that's not working out for them. Pero, yan, sa side ng Pampanga, yan yung playstyle nila. Defend well, make a stop, takbuhan tayo, kayang-kaya. This is very dangerous for Hustle, no? Wag silang sumabay.
That's right, as ito, Rosilio. This is a smart play, di ba? Bagalan nila. Ito yung pace nila talaga, di ba, Coach
Yes.
Ernest? As Pablo on the pick and roll. Luis gives it to Basti. Babangga kay Navarro. And out of bounds itong si Basti Reyes. Good defense by Jolo.
And we can clearly see no, na itong third quarter, this is the Pampanga Delta's quarter. Grabe yung, alam mo yun, adjustment. Kung ano man yung sinabi ni Coach Jay and the rest of the coaching staff, it worked. Di ba, Enzo?
Totoo. Tumayo na si Coach Pedic, their team consultant. Kanina nakaupo
Oh.
na. Tumayo na si Coach. Ayun,
Oo
umupo
nga
ulit. Kanina nakatayo na eh. Alam mo na ibig sabihin nun eh. Eto Garcia. A horns play being ran. They give it to Vincent. Back to Tebol. The two Bulldogs passing each other right here. Swings it to the Growling Tiger. Asido knocks it down! What a shot for the pride of Antipolo!
Finally, no, Amiel, after being quiet sa first half, ngayon, stepped up, di ba? Tira niya talaga yan. Alam mo yun, that's what I love when I have Amiel Asido dun sa lineup ko, na I can set up pop-out plays for him kasi very shooter, very talented. And then sinabi mo kanina, very versatile talaga tong si Amiel.
Totoo. Take a look at this once again. Look at him just go to the open spot and hit this lakas shot of the quarter brought to by CDO Food Spear Food that brings you home, and an homage to possibly his teammate dun sa J Project Clothing Boomers sa 23 under, Andy Himao, with that celebration, di ba, Coach
Right,
Ernest?
yan yung inside joke namin sa team, no, na nagiging gayahan na talaga eh. Si Andy rin kasi pauso eh. Yung 3 points na nakatago yung mukha eh. Very influential talaga yung bata eh, na kahit sino, alam mo yun, kahit mga ka-level niya, mga sikat sa high school and college, talagang mapapagaya eh.
Of course, again, congratulations to Andy being part of the Mythical Five. I'm pretty sure Coach Mark Himao, his father, and the rest of his family are proud. And ingat ka dyan, Andy, sa Mindanao area. As Nurda Tumalim comes in, replacing itong si Luis Pablo.
Yeah, and this is what I was looking for, no? Si Datumalim. Kasi very great rim protector yung batang yan.
And you said nga before na nag-usap tayo, you had him in the scouting report, diba? Asido tried to go like a Jason Tatum jumper there with that sidestep jumper. As Padilla could get a shot off, as like Coach Ernest said, the third quarter has always been owned by Pampanga Delta. And in this game, they still own that quarter. They were down by 1. Now they're up by 5 after this third quarter highlights Pablo with the jumper. Ito, the Chog Chog show with that beautiful finger roll. Ito naman yung pabawi ni Dwayne Miranda with his patented floater in the middle. Then right here, Doy going all the way to the basket. Crashing down to the ground, but the pride of San Simon still scores. Ito naman, Cebuano pride, Jonathan Moses Manalili with an inside hand layup. Right here, the Growling Tiger knocking down that triple, giving ito Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park a 5-point lead, 66-61, entering the fourth and final quarter of this winner-take-all game.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Welcome back mga kasinag, as we are live here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As makikita natin ang mga kabalin dito. May halong kaba, may halong excitement as we are down to the final 10 minutes of this 19-under tournament. Itong home team, Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park, up by 5. We can see Justin Tebol Garcia, 15 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists para dito sa NU Bulldog and the pride of San Fernando, Pampanga. What a performance for Garcia in this ball game. And ever since he came in this ball game, he really transformed it. Halos pareho sila ng ginawa ni Jonathan Manalili dito when they came in. But it's about this final 10 minutes. Nothing else matters but this final 10 minutes, no, Coach Ernest?
Oo, actually, kailangan lang isipin ng hustle dyan, ni Coach JR and the rest of the coaching staff. Tapos na yung third.
Kasi itong quarter scoring natin, 19-22-25 for Pampanga, 19-23-18 for Hustle. Will that bite them in the butt dito in that 18-point performance just no third? As you see from the outside, off the mark, but look at Jolo! And Chog scoops it up and in!
You have to love the confidence na itong moral, no? Na kahit alam mo yun, limited minutes lang siya. Pag pinasok siya, ready to step up talaga yung bata.
Totoo, as na tumalim. Oh! Nabitawan niya and went right into the hands of Navarro. UC couldn't catch it clean but still regains it. Gives it to Doy. Dungo gives it to VJ. The swing to Chog from the outside. Catchy!
Wow!
Chog Moral from the downtown.
Grabe, moral. Alam mo yun, lalabas mo yung Justin Garcia, ang papasok naman moral. Di ba? Grabe, yung intensity andun pa din, namamatch niya pa din yung ginagawa ng Garcia.
Totoo, as Rosilio attacks, kicks it to Dwayne Miranda. Good defense by VJ. Fight for the loose ball, bola ng Hustle. But Coach Ernest, kausap ko kanina before this game si Chog Moral and sabi niya, tinanong ko, wala pa ba ang college team na nag-aalok sa'yo? Sabi niya, wala pa kuya. With this performance, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people now staring at Chog Moral, di ba?
As they should, no? Talagang yung performance niya, alam mo yun, wow, good shot coming from Daniel.
Totoo. Yan na naman si Pads Padilla, again, a Mythical 5 member. Eto Dungo working the pick and roll with VJ. He puts it up and he draws the foul. Take over mode na itong si Doy. As happy watching daw kay, as we take a look at this muna, yung tres dito ni Pads Padilla, ang ating lakas tres of the quarter, brought to you by Sunsport, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia. As shoutout daw kay Ray Balionado, Corporate Secretary of Armrack, nanonood ngayon. And syempre, ang pride of Cebu, the Trojan Horse, Rojan Montemayor. Yun din, isa pang nanonood at parang kating-kating na siguro kailan daw ang 23 under finals nila. Kailan naman daw yung turn nila. As Dungo goes 2 out of 2 in a big stretch here for Pampanga, Coach Ernest, with this 9-point lead, di ba?
Oh, and for sure kayang-kaya pasundan to, no? Or habulin. Kasi medyo we can see alam mo yun, the concern sa mukha na itong mga fans sa team, di ba? Medyo nanahimik na sila. And someone should step up dun sa bleachers, no? Na alam mo yun, pataasin yung moral kasi kayang-kaya pa naman. But with that, di ba? But with that happening, talagang mahirap talaga eh. Grabe yung moral.
Sabi mo, pataasin yung moral. Ayan, tumaas yung moral. Umangat.
Umangat yung moral.
As Manalili swings a pass to nobody, Pablo saves it. Still 10 seconds on their shot clock. Renzo attacks. Good defense, but Basi's there on the cleanup. Chog gives it to VJ, the reigning MVP. Pull-up jumper off the mark, and look at that, UC with a board. UC with the follow. Grabe, lahat ginaganahan sa Pampanga, Coach Ernest. As Padilla swings it to the corner. Competente with his territory there.
Territory niya talaga yan, no? And very perfect timing, di ba? Kailangan mag-step up ni Renzo dito. Alam mo yun, he's been defending well. Siguro ngayon kailangan offensively naman.
Yun nga, itong si Competente has been known as the fourth quarter man for the Hustle Rising Suns. Can he once again make a finale dito. A coup de grace performance for Lorenzo Brian Competente. As 15 seconds dito sa shot clock ng mga nakaputi. Dungo gives it to Amiel. Step back triple. Bang! What a shot from Asido!
Yan yung maganda kay Amiel, no? Actually, napag-uusapan namin na fourth quarter guy talaga to si Amiel eh. He may be quiet, first to second, pero pagdating ng third and fourth, nag-step up talaga yung bata. Like, during yung game namin dito, di ba, Enzo?
Yes. Take a look at this one. Once again, ang ating lakas shot of the quarter brought to by CDO Food Spear Food that brings you home from Amiel Asido. Padilla scoops it up and in. Great attack by Pads Padilla.
Offensively, everything's working out for them. Though, kailangan nilang trabahuin defensively. They can't, alam mo yun, di nila afford makipagpalitan dito dahil unang-una, ang taas ng lamang na itong Pampanga Delta. Good move.
Grabe naman yung galaw na yun. Galing sa ating MVP. And look at the smile by VJ afterwards.
And you can clearly see the influence of Kevin Kiambao.
Yes.
Diba? Na talagang ang standard na ng big man ngayon, someone who can drive, someone who can dribble, and we can clearly see yan.
Grabe.
Diba?
What a pass, and look at that. Bask in the glory. Mr. MVP. Back-to-back baskets para kay VJ Pre. And Pampanga Delta now find themselves up by the biggest margin of this ball game after this lakas play of the quarter. Brought to by J Project Clothing Shop. Toy to VJ for the 2. 11-point lead for Pampanga Delta, 84-73.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Sinagliga sa Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 is brought to you by SM South Mall. We got it all for you. So you can see there, Amiel Asido, 16 points, 6.3 rebounds, 4.7 assists for the now growling Tiger, the pride of Antipolo. So now ibigay natin kay Milka Jazz Raimundo for her report on Amiel Asido.
Hindi man kami pare-pareho ng role na gagawin, but one thing's for sure, we only have one ultimate goal. Yun ay makuha ang panalo. Being part of this team is truly a privilege and a big blessing. Hindi ganun kadali pumasok sa team na may matagal ng samahan, but ever since I joined them, talagang I set a standard and prepare myself. Tonight, I still have one last task to do, and that is to turn the impossible to possible. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Turn the impossible to possible. Thank you so much, MJ. And it's really possible na ngayon para dito kay Amiel Asido. Pero yun nga, we're talking about this kanina pang third quarter, Coach Ernest. That's now the fourth foul of Andre Dungo. Throwing the foul, and it reminds me, yung kay Luka, nung nag-draw the charge kay Jalen Brown, na foul out siya nung game, I think, 3, di ba? As the MVP with the block on Manalili. And look at that! The MVP going to the ground to get the ball, Coach Ernest.
You can clearly see, no? As in tayong lahat, kitang-kita natin kung gaano niya kagusto manalo. Stepping up both ends of the floor.
As Padilla to beat the shot clock off the mark, rebounded by Asido. Quick toss up to Tebol. Garcia, easy layup for Justin. Naaamoy na ng mga kabalenas Manalili. Oh, what a counter by Jonathan. Here's Asido. Walk-in three-pointer. Wala yun. And look at Manalili. Come and get that rebound. Renzo gives it to Ting. He'll attack Tebol. Bumps Asido. Again, another turnover for the Rising Suns. And Garcia. Good drop pass to UC. And there's going to be a foul. Grabe namang hang time neto ni Garcia, no, Coach Ernest. Akala ko mahuhuli na sa doon.
Oo. And that's the problem, no? They can't afford to have.
Once again, look at that. Grabe. Akala ko huli na ni Competente na ibigay pa niya dito kay UC.
Yeah, like what I was saying, Enzo, no, that's the problem. They can't afford to have dahil unang-una, tambak na sila. Diba? 11. Then at the same time, alam mo yon, ang papangit pa ng mga turnovers na nangyayari, leading to an easy shot sa fast break or ganyan, charity stripe.
And here comes the patented second half runs ng Pampanga Delta, which you know a lot, di ba, Coach Ernest? Experience mo yan ilang beses. As Pablo with a good Euro step there. Good answer by Pablo. 4 minutes and 21, a 10-point lead for Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park. Are they 4 minutes and 15 seconds away from joining history, from being a legacy dito? Garcia, the crossover, the pull-up. No good, Rosilio with the board. Ryle swings it to Jonathan. Manalili splits the defense, the floater. No good nga lang. Doy with a spin. Here comes Dungo. All the way to the basket for the pride of San Simon.
And you can clearly see the pressure talagang going up the head of these hustle players. Medyo nawawala na yung setup, di ba? Medyo nagmamadali na, lahat eager makagawa ng points, ganyan nangyayari. Di ba? One stop leading to a fast break.
And yun nga lang, hindi na-convert ng Pampanga dito. But as you said nga, nawawala yung pag-setup ng play nila, Coach Ernest. Halos parang mga isolation plays na nangyayari.
Yes, isolation na yan talaga.
Take a look at this once again. Doy Dungo with the lakas fast break of the quarter. Brought to you by Winzins Cafe. Dalaw po kayo sa aming official cafe partner sa Winzins sa South Poblacion in Naga City, Cebu. Eto Pablo in the middle. Pablo, fall away jumper. Oh, ho, ho. What a counter from Luis Pablo.
3 minutes, alam mo yun, 10 points lead. 10-point lead, kayang-kaya pa yan. Alam mo yun, again, they just need to make a stop. Gayahin nila yung Pampanga, one stop lang, then run.
As Pablo,
yun.
He fouled his LaSalle teammate right there.
The miscommunication talaga, no? No one helping. Alam mo yun, si Renzo naman naka-deny sa corner shot. They need to, alam mo yun, amp up yung communication nila sa defense. Kasi again, nagiging puro atake na lang eh.
And I have to tell this, Coach Ernest, the storylines of this ball game, I know medyo late. I said kanina a few years ago, 2 years ago, Luis Pablo playing for Pasig Pirates lost to Pampanga Delta in a 21-under tournament. Andre Dungo was a part of that Pampanga Delta team. Last year, this Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park lost in this arena to Jonathan Manalili, Andy Himao, and George Diamante of the Farm Fresh Milkers Letran. So kumbaga itong Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park, nagtago ng resibo.
Oh, that's true, no? Talagang, again, kailangan natin tignan doon, di ba? Yung parang may form of rivalry na itong mga players na ito eh. Pagdating sa mga ligang labas nila, like, alam mo yun, the other leagues, and itong Sinag Liga Asia.
We take a look at this lakas move of the quarter brought by Cabling and Holdings Corporation by Lorenzo Competente. Mr. Fourth Quarter, the hoop with the harm. And he cuts the lead down to 8. May bonus free throw pa siya sa pagbabalik natin dito. 2 minutes and 37 natitira sa ating laro.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 winner-take-all finals is brought to you by Fulitech Philippines Incorporated, our official advertising partner dito. As you can see the huddle dito ng Hustle Rising Suns. They're trying to map out a comeback dito. Jonathan Moses Manalili, the pride of Cebu. A good welcoming performance for him. Welcome back performance, should I say. 22 points, 3 rebounds, and 6 assists. A typical finals Manalili performance na Coach Ernest.
Oh, you should expect the best, no, when it comes to Jonathan Manalili. Kasi buong career niya, alam mo yun, ever since na sumikat, gumanda yung laro niya, gumanda yung performance niya sa Letran days niya nung high school. Talagang ganyan na eh. Naging consistent na siya. Pag kailangan talaga siya, when it all matters the most, mag-step up talaga yung bata.
Totoo. Uy, may nanonood ngayon, ha? Coach Dave Gomez of the Fully Tech Santa Rosa Saints sa Lakas 40. And of course, the J Project Clothing Saints dito sa 19 under. Coach Dave, happy watching po. Tingin mo nanonood kaya sa suot niya yung mga astig na pants niya.
Ayoko naman. si Mr. Jordan Brand yan, si Coach Dave eh. Mentor natin yan, si Coach Dave.
And belated happy birthday nga pala to Coach Dave Gomez. Diba? Hindi ako nakabati sa kanya last week. Ito, a turnover for Pampanga. Meron pang chance dito ang hustle. All they have to do is execute and then get a stop. Yung stop, score na trend, di ba?
Right, sure. Kailangan talaga yan, no? And yan na, ganyan talaga kailangan nilang gawin. Naka-zone na, yan na ang mangyayari.
Di ba? Great recognition there by Rosilio. Going over to Basti Reyes.
Yeah, I was about to say, no, play the high-low game. Kasi they have Basti Reyes and Luis Pablo on the lineup naman eh.
Now a 5-point lead na lang dito. Dungo from the outside. Off the mark. Rebounded by Dwayne.
Good stop.
Here comes Miranda. Competente.
Wow!
Puts it up and in. Down by 3 na lang ang Rising Suns.
Good job. Diba? Dwayne running down the floor. Diba? Rosilio and Lorenzo Competente. Alam mo yun, stretching out the floor. Kaya nalilito sila sino kukunin, then making the right play.
A minute and 51 natitira sa ating winner-take-all finals.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines. Magsisimula po sa July 17 to 21, 2024 dito po sa Pampanga. And these two teams have already booked their ticket, have booked a slot na doon sa ating Junior World Showcase, being the finalist dito. Itong Pampanga Delta and Hustle Rising Suns. Of course, marami pang dumadagdag, especially yung isang team dyan. At syempre, ito yung ating mga international teams na dadayo dito. 3 teams from Canada, 4 teams from the US, and 1 team coming from the United Arab Emirates.
Very exciting, no? Itong Junior World Showcase. And again, thank you. Alam mo yun, very grateful tayo kay Lord dahil may opportunity tayo dyan.
And ito nga ang ating lakas drive of the quarter brought by CDO Foods Beer Food that brings you home from Lorenzo Competente. 3-point lead na lang dito for Pampanga Delta. Can the Rising Suns finish the story dito? Asido to Tebol. Back to Dungo. They give it to the MVP. There's a switch. Pablo playing the anchor. Triple team, a steal by Dwayne. Miranda on the run. Puts it up. Di nga na pumasok. Rosilio to Miranda. Blocked by Dungo. That's gonna be a foul. Is it gonna be on Dungo?
Let's take things slow, no? Good decision coming from Coach JR. Diba? For sure, magsiset up si Coach J ng pangtao. Again, leading dito kay VJ Pre dahil again, maganda yung ginagawa niya. Nag-opt to go sa zone.
And Dungo now fouls out of the ball game.
Yeah.
Ito na yung gamble na sinasabi natin, no, Coach Ernest.
Right. Yeah, nag-zone yung hustle, leading to a great stop. Good decision coming from Coach JR.
Crucial inbound play. Miranda gets away. Miranda, no-go. Basti. That's a foul. Oh! And that's gonna be...
Technical.
Oh. And Coach JR not happy.
Yeah, bad decision coming from Basti. Diba? Pretty much he's been consistent dito sa game na to eh. Alam mo yun? Crashing down the boards. Diba? Making the right plays. That's not very beneficial sa Hustle. Bad decision coming from Basti.
And the entire coaching staff ng Hustle Rising Suns telling Basti Reyes, focus. Yun nga eh, that can be the detriment dito. That can lead to the detriment ng Hustle Rising Suns. This technical foul on Basti Reyes for slamming the basketball. Coach JR visibly not happy with the technical foul whistled on Basti Reyes, di ba?
Oh, he has the right to, no? Alam mo yun? And let's see.
Once again, let's take a look at this. Clearly, he pushes VJ there. And then there you go, he slams the ball. That's, you know, he's still young. That's still immaturity in his part, di ba, Coach Ernest, di ba?
That's the right word, no? Immaturity. Again, I know Basti will review this after the game, no?
Oo.
He really should look on this and, alam mo yun, reflect na madami pa siyang mapagdadaan ng ganito, di ba?
Yes.
Alam mo yun, he has a very bright future ahead of him, kaya kailangan matuto siya sa mga ganito and, alam mo yun, grow up.
And then, our referees are just gonna check dito sa IRS. Sino ba yung tinulak ni Basti Reyes? Maninigurado sila, but again...
Yeah, that's VJ, I think.
I think it's VJ. But, syempre, again, that's where the crucial part happens, di ba? Penalty na kayo and then you give up a technical free throw pa. So that can lead to a 3-point swing for Pampanga, who at that point were already leading by 3.
Right. Oo, yun yung mahirap. Kaya again, one mistake, it may look small to you kung ikaw man yung nakagawa nun. Pero alam mo yun, after ng game, marirealize mo, ay, grabe. Dahil pala sa akin, dahil sa action ko, alam mo yun, nag-lead sa mga series of actions, series of moments, experiences na alam mo yun, makakatulong kung ba't kayo natalo.
Yes.
Diba?
Kumbaga ripple effect na Coach
Yes,
Ernest.
ripple effect, butterfly effect.
Oo. As the MVP knocks down a big free throw.
Yeah, I can't move on, Enzo. No, bad decision talaga coming from Basti. Sayang.
And 2 out of 2 para dito kay Francis VJ Pre. His family is right here inside the Brengyao. And a 6-point lead for Pampanga Delta. Rosilio, no good. Reyes with a board. And Reyes steps out of bounds. Not the sequence that Basti Reyes was hoping for dito, Coach Ernest.
Right, I agree, no? Medyo, ayun talaga eh. Meltdown na. Alam mo yun, really hoping na makabawi. Ganyan talaga mangyayari.
Eto si Tebol, they're trying to put the nail in the coffin dito.
Yeah, that's the 2-man action they want.
Chog attacks, swings it. Amiel, 8 seconds. Tebol. Garcia, step back jumper. No good.
Wow.
Look at that effort from Kenji. Chog Moral.
Moral. Simula ng third, making the right plays, no? Talagang defensively, offensively, di ba? Ngayon, with the rebound of his life, good job coming from Moral.
And right here, 30.6 seconds remaining, Coach Ernest. A 6-point lead para dito sa Pampanga Delta Perdera Team Park. 2-possession lead. If you're Hustle with this amount of time remaining, you can still opt for a quick 2, di ba?
It can be a quick 2, di ba? Magpo-14 second yan si Coach JR for sure. Alam mo yun, they can set up Lorenzo Competente, Borgie Reguera, andyan pa yan, di ba? Ang daming shooter sa kanila. Jonathan Manalili with that one-on-one action siguro, di ba? 2-man action.
Si Gazingan pa, nandyan.
Yeah, andyan pa si Lex, di ba? Anything is possible for Coach JR. Again, after nila makamake, 2-man yan or 3, make a stop, di ba? Tao-tao na agad. Or if ever man, and, di ba?
All smiles dito sa panig ng Pampanga Delta, especially Coach Camille Aisel Santos there. Pero dito sa Hustle, all business dahil nga, regardless kung 2 or 3 na Coach Ernest, it's a must-score possession for them.
It is a must talaga. Kasi, again, close game, kayang-kaya pa yan. Alam mo yun, if ever man na makamake sila ng 3 dito, coming from, alam mo yun, Dwayne Miranda, or dito kay Peter, he can shoot.
Ito Rosilio to inbound.
Screen.
Di nila nakita si Pablo, nakasil sa gitna. Luis pops out. Rosilio to Pablo. He'll attack. Good drop pass and easy layup for Basti. There's the quick 2, Coach Ernest. Coach J will make sure that they won't turn this over and they put the nail in the coffin dito sa ating laro. 25.1 seconds away for Pampanga Delta. to seal the deal and once again deliver another championship dito. And how about this, Coach Ernest, di ba? The inaugural Born 2001 champions last year was Pampanga Delta. Ngayon, 19 under inaugural champions might be Pampanga Delta if they can hold on to this 25.1 seconds, di ba?
Oo, again, yung dominance na nakasanayan natin dito sa Pampanga Delta showing talaga, no?
You can see the lakas play of the quarter brought to by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform. Sinurto na ni Basti. You can see, he felt like he wanted to dunk it, di ba, Coach Ernest? Para ilabas yung frustrations niya in the recent 2 possessions ng hustle. Pero sabi niya, sige, surto ko na, baka magmintis pa kung dunk. Wise decision that time for Basti. Ito a crucial inbound for Pampanga. 14 seconds on the shot clock, 25.1, an 11-second difference shot clock, game clock. Table to inbound. Asido pops out. Amiel. They're trapping Amiel on the sidelines. Dangerous pass. BJ with the 2 points. How fitting is it that the MVP finishes it off?
Right.
Dwayne the 3. And that'll do it. Pampanga Delta wins the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Championship. Immortality para dito sa panig ng Pampanga. Another SLA title. Grabe. And right in front of their home crowd again. Ibang klase, Coach Ernest. Grabe. Less than 3 months from their kuyas winning it dito sa ating inaugural champion. The inaugural tournament, they do it again, di ba?
Yeah, it was a great game, no? Talagang everyone stepped up, alam mo yun? Kahit sino ipasok, yung mga coaching staff ng both teams ready na, alam mo yun, be influential dyan. Di ba? Make the right plays, di ba? Kaya again, congratulations sa Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park, di ba?
Yes.
Great play, di ba? Great game, great season, and actually congratulations din, di ba? Kay Coach JR De La Cruz, the rest of the coaching staff, yung mga players. Alam mo yun, yan yung hard part eh. Pag puro hugot, puro, alam mo yun, hindi homegrown, yung uncomfortability, yung ego, di ba? Yung pressure na mas magaling ako dito eh, ganda ganyan, di ba? Yun yung normal problems diyan. Pero Coach JR, the rest of the coaching staff na handle nila ng maayos yun, kaya napunta sila dito. Congratulations pa rin.
Yes, and again, hats off tayo dito sa panig nila Coach JR, nila Miss Marjorie, Christine De La Cruz, and the rest of the coaching staff ng Hustle and all their players. But syempre, the moment belongs to Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park, delivering another title dito sa Pampanga. And now the question remains, Coach Ernest, can their kuyas defend the throne, di ba?
Yeah, yun yung maganda, no? Yung sa 23 under, di ba, for the Hustle side,
bawi.
Same players, di ba? Babawi yung mga yan. Pero again, you can never count out Pampanga Delta, lalo na sa 21 pataas nilang mga players. Sila Justin Bautista, sila Sonny, di ba? Kaya very exciting.
At ngayon, let's give it over to MJ Raimundo for our CDO Best Player of the Game. MJ, take it away.
No, I am with the CDO Best Player of the Game, brought to you by CDO Food that brings you home. From Pampanga Delta Pradera, part of the Mythical 5 MVP and the Finals MVP, VJ Pre with a double-double performance, 19 points, 11 rebounds, and 3 assists. First of all, congratulations sa iyo, VJ, at sa team mo. Grabe, you are part of the Mythical 5, the MVP, and now the Finals MVP. Ano pa yung nagtulak sa'yo para maging maganda yung performance mo?
Unang-una, syempre nagtulungan kami ng mga teammates ko para makuha namin to. And hindi ko makuha to kung wala yung mga teammates ko. And yun, mag-celebrate muna kami ng, with my family, kay Gob and kay Coach Jay na pina-champion kami.
We can totally see kung gaano mo in-enjoy yung laban na to. Ano pa yung mga naging inspiration and motivation mo all throughout the season and most especially ngayon championship?
Siyempre, sinabi sa amin ni Coach Jay, magpapatalo ba kami dito sa home court namin kasi nandito yung mga fans namin and siyempre home court namin to, hindi kami magpapatalo.
No, meron ko bang gustong batiin at pasalamatan?
Una-una, thank you kay Lord and thank you sa mga kapampangan na nanonood and binabati yung mga family ko doon and yung mga teammates ko and kila Coach Jay, sa mga coaches ko doon and sa mga teammates ko sa FEU.
Thank you, VJ. Now, I am with the head coach of Pampanga Delta Pradera, ang naging susi ng kanilang panalo ngayon, Coach Jay Shera. Coach, hindi na bago itong panalo sa inyo dahil alam naman natin na ang Kapampangan, every league ay talagang pumapasok sa championship. At ngayon na nandito na kayo, nakuha ninyo ang first ever championship ng Born 2004. Ano po ba yung nagpa-motivate sa inyo at gaano po ba ka-effective ang inyong coaching staff and most especially yung mga advices na sinabi sa inyo ni Governor Delta Pineda?
First of all, nagpapa-thank you ako kay Coach Gob, Dennis Delta Pineda, sa kay Coach Pedek, kay Coach Alan Trinidad. Inaalalayan nila ako dahil kasi yun nga, di ba, hindi makompleto yung puzzle nung champion team na itong mga bata na to dahil dun sa nangyari dun sa nakaraang liga. Pero yun nga, dahil dun sa preparation and work hard, tapos i-motivate yung mga player as a team to play in one page, yun nga, naging successful yung game plan. Kaya thank you guys. Thank you sa lahat na sumuporta. Sa mga SNC family, salamat. Sa mga players ko na sumuporta sa akin na nandito, maraming salamat.
Congratulations once again, Coach Jay Shera and VJ Preno. Back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, MJ. Once again, congratulations to the reigning MVP, Francis VJ Pre, and the winning coach, Coach Jay Shera, with his 94-88 victory dito. They now sealed this Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 Championship. Grabe, what a tournament, Coach Ernest. We have now just capped this tournament off. What are your final thoughts in this volume?
Yeah, well, unang-una, di ba, again, the preparation is very important, di ba, the scouting report. Kitang-kita natin, both teams prepared talaga, pero again, it's the adaptability. Kailangan, pag ganito yung nangyayari, pagdating ng third quarter, we adjust. And kitang-kita natin yung Pampanga Delta Pradera talaga yung nangibabaw doon.
Yes, and grabe. And yan, hats off po ulit tayo sa Hustle Rising Suns nga po. But ngayon, to lead etong awarding natin and to crown our champions, let's turn it over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid.
First of all, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our protagonists. Palakpakan po natin ang Hustle Rising Suns and Pampanga Delta Pradera for our great epic battle. And now it's time for the awarding ceremony. And of course, to present the award, to present the trophies, we call on our commissioner, the Slashers himself, Commissioner Rodney Santos. And now for the runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for your Hustle Rising Suns.
A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a runner-up for the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase 19 under your Hustle Rising Suns.
We gon' celebrate and have a good time. celebration.
And once again, to present the award and the trophy for the Sinag Liga Asia champion, may we call him once again Commissioner Rodney Santos. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines champion for the 19 under, your Pampanga Delta Pradera. The 2024 champion of the Sinag Liga Asia 19 under for the Junior World Showcase Philippines. Once again, your Pampanga Delta Pradera.
And once again, mga kasinag, your SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 champions, Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park. Congratulations po to everyone. Of course, their team owner, the beloved Governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, their team consultant, Coach Pedic Di Matulak, Coach Alan Trinidad, Coach Jay Sherak, Coach Pepe Tuyag, Coach Totoy Marquez, Coach Aisel Santos, the rest of the players, and sa lahat ng kabalin. They brought home another championship to Pampanga ng Coach Ernest.
Right. Again, pagdating sa Pampanga, that's what you should expect, no? And talagang with the set of the players that they have, the coaching staff, the drive that they have, congratulations sa Pampanga.
And Coach Ernest, thank you so much for joining us. On behalf of Sinag Liga Asia, we are truly honored. Pero, syempre, for me, I hope this is the last finals na makasama kita dito sa panel because I know and I'm praying na next time naman, ikaw naman yung magko-coach dyan sa floor ng isang championship team, Coach Ernest.
Yeah, and that's the dream, no? Talagang pagdating sa pagiging coach, this is the destination that you want to have, no?
Yes.
And again, congratulations sa coaching staff, 'di ba, ng Hustle Rising Suns, kay Coach JR, 'di ba, and the rest of the coaching staff. Great job pa din talaga, and ayan yung dream, guys. Congratulations, and next season, trabaho ulit tayo.
Yes. And syempre, for these two teams, the next stop is on July 17 to 21 po sa Junior World Showcase po. Sila makikita ulit. Retribution for the Rising Suns or will Pampanga Delta seal the deal? And syempre, mga kasinag po, tutok lang po kayo kung kailan po ang aming mga susunod na laro sa finals ng 23 under, sa Lakas 40 Elimination Round Games, and syempre sa opening ng Sinag Liga Asia Kalibre 45. Yan po ulit ang ating final score, 94 to 88. The champions, the Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park. But that ends our Born 2004 Cup for Coach Ernest Alao, MJ Raimundo. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tanan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramonito Roa, Video Gear Incorporated, and the rest of the hard-working men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Brenzigiao Convention Center. This has been your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004. And we are saying goodbye and good night.